Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Is anybody out there? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 9 minutes and 35 seconds, and all hell is breaking loose on the markets. If you're ready, I need you to buckle up right now. Smash the like button, go like and retweet the post on X. It's about to go down. Ladies and gentlemen, just 9 minutes and 20 seconds away, we're going to be covering the breaking gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. We're going to watch the COMEX day trading session pick up here. We're going to watch Shanghai, the big La Bamba open. We're going to watch the stock market open. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. Call me Mr. Toad, because it's going to be a wild ride today.
In the borders, I'm a golden and silver stacker on the run. Circle the globe till the treasure's done. You should subscribe. Join the crustacean nation. Yeah, free silver, free gold for the whole foundation. Golden and silver stacker never alone. Never. Turn it into stone, you should subscribe. Join the crustacean nation. Free silver and gold for all.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to go down. Smash the like button if you're ready here. 7 minutes and 55 seconds away from the breaking gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. We're going to watch all the trading sessions pick up here. Silver is ripping as we speak, ladies and gentlemen. If you're ready, put I'm ready in chat right now. Thank you, Mike D, for the jewels. Thank you, Jenner Tool, for the jewels. Thank you, Real Bill, for the jewel. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, silver shooting higher as we speak, about to go to $62 an ounce. They told us it was over. They told us silver was going to drop down to the teens again for another 20 years. But ladies and gentlemen, I know the fundamentals haven't changed, and I kept stacking anyway. When they all kept looking at me online and calling me crazy, laughing in my face, I kept stacking. When the road got long and dark and it seemed like all was through, I kept stacking. When it seemed all was lost and we're going to zero, I kept stacking. Because ladies and gentlemen, I am unshaken. I have the intestinal fortitude to see the way through, and the question is, do you? Are you with me? Are you still stacking? Will you be dissuaded? Ladies and gentlemen, the name's International Stacker. We're about to be live here in 6 minutes and 10 seconds, breaking it all down. If you're ready, put I'm ready in chat right now. Let's see it. Yes! Who's dancing? Who ate lettuce this week? Thank you, Amina, for that tea bag. Spin it. Whoa, spill the tea. I got all the tea. Thank you for that, Amina. Wow. Spill the tea. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 5 minutes and 30 seconds. There you go. Covering the breaking gold and silver news, and boy, is there a ton of it this morning. We're going to watch the COMEX day trading session. We're going to watch Shanghai open up. We're going to watch the stock market. We're going to watch the watch outs. We're going to do that all here live in just 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Please smash the like button. We're almost to 100. Please share the stream. Please like and retweet it on X. The post is out. It's about to go down, ladies and gentlemen. If you like this gold and silver music, you can listen to it any time of the day. Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, Amazon Music, YouTube Music. It's everywhere. Just search International Stackers, the artist, and rock the day or night away. 4 minutes and 50 seconds till we're live here.
Shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow.
Yukon Cornelius is in chat and he needs soup.
Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join
go!
the crew, let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 4 minutes and 10 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver news. And boy, is the market breaking this morning. Helping you read the tea leaves, we're going to watch the COMEX, we're going to watch Shanghai. It's about to go down, just 4 minutes away.
Maps and clues.
Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Brian, for gifting soup. It went to Silver Fiend, it went to Adrian, it went to Doc the Butcher, it went to Richard, it went to Charlie. I'm sorry, Con. No soup for Con. If you're hungry, you need soup, put your bowl in the sky and say, please, sir, please, ma'am, can I have some more? Let's go. The soup kitchen's open. Yes! 7 likes from 100. Let's run it up. Yes! Kaltenberg, it's not a myth. Your day's coming, Kaltenberg. Let's go. NPC says when it searches your name on YouTube, it says you're a musical art. Yeah, it's because of my music. So now all over the internet, it says I'm a recording artist. It's kind of funny, but hey, we'll take it. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live here in just 3 minutes.
So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches
Yes.
await. You're
Yes.
the best. International stacker, stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong.
Break it down now.
Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill.
Okay, I don't know if you guys are ready for today's stream. Let's get it popping in here. Let's get a crab dance going. Drop a crab in chat if you're ready. A C-R-A-B, not a C-R-A-P, and certainly not a golden one. We're going to be live here in 2 minutes and 10 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver news. If you're ready, drop a crab in chat right now. Let's go. Keep smashing that like button. Yes, 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 yes. Here we go. Get your claws up. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in 1 minute and 45 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver news and watching the markets live. Who likes free gold and silver? Put free in chat right now. The Mega God is coming. Let's go. Epic Wyvern, I can't wait. Do I have the Battle Crab Soar in chat? Do I have the Crab Brigade? 42nd in chat. Do I have the Kilted Crustaceans? Do I have the 69 Chast Brigade? Let me know right now. We're going to be live here shortly. Thank you, dropping the mic for the Jules. Jeff Stow hit me with the golden poop. Ah! Thank you, Wyvern, for gifting a membership. That went to Big Rig Wanderer. Congratulations. Thank you, dropping the mic for those jewels, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to be live here. Okay, what do you guys want? You want the old school intro? You want the little kid? You want to do a crab migration? You want the Mega God? What do you want? Let me know ASAP. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. Let's get it. Thank you, Harold, for the jewels. Dance with me. One stacker on a journey to find silver. International Stacker. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. We've got thousands of videos, and guys, I got a new video coming out Saturday. It's of Jake, this Hero the CEO of Hero Bullion. Jake is with me. We're buying silver at the Fun Coin Show. It's here. It's premiering on Saturday. I'll drop that link in chat so you guys can bookmark that. And today, after this stream around noon Eastern today, I am going to be on Ron's basement. That's right. So if you're a basement dweller as well, I'll be on there today at 12. It is going to be epic. And guys, today's stream is epic. Hold up, sat premiere video link. So here's the link for the new video. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's break down what's happening right now. Now, remember, silver opened up. It had a slight gap up last night at 6 p.m. Eastern. It hit a low overnight of 59.40. It hit a high just now. Let me delete that. It hit a high just now of 62. We're over 62. And we're going to keep pushing here. We pass this key level, this Fibonacci of 61.31, ladies and gentlemen. All I could say is buckle up. It's about to get real. Dare I say, are we boarding a rocket ship?
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.
Okay, so silver so far on the trading session since 6 p.m. last night, Eastern, is up 4.14%. And it's back over the 50. It's back over the 200 simple moving average. Just take a look at gold. Since last night, opening up at 6 p.m., we hit a low of 4,065.32. And we just hit a trading session high right now of 4,191.99. We just took out 1, 2, 3, 4 more targets in gold, up 2.83%. So we're going to keep watching this. And remember, the day trading session is, the COMEX is trading right now. But around 8 a.m. Eastern to 8:30 a.m. Eastern, that's the switch over to New York. And we will see a dramatic increase in volume. So ladies and gentlemen, if silver's up 4.21%, but gold's only up 2.81, that means this gold to silver ratio is starting to plummet. We were over 72 just the other day. We're down to 67.67. We're down to 67.62 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. And ladies and gentlemen, if things keep ripping, this is going to go even lower. The Shanghai Futures Exchange right here, the big La Bamba overnight hit a low of 66.75, hit a high of 69.79, almost busting through that 70. And if it were to open right now, we would be blasting through that 70 mark. This is going to be opening here in just about an hour, so we will be back for here, the big La Bamba, the Shanghai Futures Exchange. At that time, I will be asking you guys if you're team green or if you are team red, and we will figure that out together. So far, I've been right at least up and down for like a week now. We'll see if I can, I've guessed a few times exactly where the gap was going to happen, so we're going to try to do that again. We'll see if we can recreate that. And silver just shot even higher, ladies and gentlemen, setting a new trading session high of $62.03. If you're excited, ladies and gentlemen, let me know in chat right now. And Victor says, I'm a basement dwelling crustacean. That is amazing, Victor. Okay. So we've got a bunch happening. We're going to see the volume pick up. We're going to come back to the silver chart here at 8:15 a.m. Eastern to 8:30 a.m. Eastern. That is traditionally what we call the danger zone, colloquially, here on this channel. That is when the big bankers like to attack us. But guys, I've got breaking footage right now of the COMEX. I've got breaking footage of the COMEX. I'm piping it in right now. Poor Mortimer, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you, Real Bill, for those jewels. Okay, now, for those of you who don't know, soon I might make a giveaway. I'm about to go to the breaking gold and silver news. Don't worry. But for those of you who don't know, in my upcoming Mega giveaway, I'm going to be releasing the video on Sunday that tells you how to enter, all the information, so don't panic. I'm giving away over 100 ounces of silver. I'm giving away over 169 ounces of copper and gold. Over 20 gold backs, a couple 1/100th ounce gold bars, premium stuff, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to be giving it away all to you. So all you got to do is subscribe and turn on those notifications bells as silver pushes even higher here, hitting 62.07 on this day trading session. Now, on this channel, a lot of you guys like to gift memberships to other hungry crustaceans. We call it soup here. And there is a bounty. Every time we select people to get soup. So this time it's Yukon Cornelius. If anyone gives a membership and it goes to him, you get this side quest here. Look at this. You get a 1/10 ounce gold, year of the rabbit, I think it is, from 2023. A 1.4 ounce number 27 of the top poured top of a champagne bottle from SGT. You get a classic colonial silver bar, which was poured by Engelhard. You're going to get all this stuff. You're going to get this. I think it's worth over $1,000, and we're going to continue to chum those waters. So that is the big, beautiful bounty side quest. And just gifted 5 memberships. And ladies and gentlemen, that went to Jenner. It went to Casa House. Nice. It went to Jerry. It went to Cellbait. It went to Gypsy. And 91 Yates and Real Build both gifted a membership. That went to Rich, and it went to Professional Piercer. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And ladies and gentlemen, I do channel member only live streams here on YouTube called The War Room. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional. The next one's going to be Friday afternoon after the market close. And boy, oh boy, ladies and gentlemen, we are raging even higher here on silver. Woo! Buckle up. Okay, we're 7 gifted memberships away from triggering the No Soup for Kong song. So if you want to see that Kong song, keep feeding those hungry crustaceans. Let's go to the breaking gold and silver news. Okay, first piece of news here. The next gold mine isn't underground. It's in your drunk drawer. The UK's Royal Mint is now recovering gold from discarded smartphones, laptops, and other electronic waste using a new refining process. Think about that, ladies and gentlemen. Gold is now valuable enough that it's becoming profitable to mine old electronics instead of digging new ore out of the ground. Some perspective on this. The world generates more than 60 million tons of e-waste every single year, ladies and gentlemen, yet only a small fraction of that is actually recycled. The recoverable metals locked inside global e-waste are estimated to be worth tens of billions of dollars annually. Now let's connect the dots. Let's read the tea leaves. President Trump literally just signed an executive order, if you remember me reporting on that, giving the Commerce Department authority to restrict export of e-waste and other critical mineral-bearing scrap, so more of those valuable materials could be recycled here within the United States. The U.S. currently exports nearly 33,000 metric tons of e-waste every single month. Much of it containing recoverable metals and critical minerals. Why stackers should care about this? Governments are increasingly recognizing that urban mining, we're calling it, recovering precious and critical metals from electronics, is becoming a strategic resource alongside traditional mining. That's another sign that gold, silver, and critical minerals are being viewed as increasingly important strategic assets. Now, I know some of you in chat are refiners. Let me know if you're a refiner in chat right now. And thank you to Selfish Stacker for gifting the membership. That went to Alan. Now, Steely the Stacker, and guys, I'm giving away one of these vials to you in the Mega God, just 1 ounce of the 100 I'm giving away. Steely the Stacker had sent this to me. He actually refined this from e-waste. So some stackers actually refine silver from e-waste and gold, and that's how they stack. But buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. I've been saying for years that I think eventually they're going to dig up landfills and try to recycle the metals out of landfills. I'm on record for years saying that. I think it is going to happen eventually. Thank you, Wyvern, for gifting that membership as well. That went to Jay Roman. Okay. Now, every week on Sundays, sometimes Monday morning if I'm playing hooky, I release the weekly watch out situations for gold and silver. We did Monday. We did Tuesday. Today's Wednesday, so we're looking at the ISM Services PMI, and we're also looking for Fed Governor Lisa Cook to speak today. These are the 2 big watch out situations. What the heck does any of that mean? Check out my website, internationalstacker.com. Not only can you see the live metal prices on Oneta chart, the best one, any time of the day, gold, silver, copper, platinum, palladium, gold to silver ratio. You can manipulate the chart yourself. But click news blog here. And the weekly watch outs, the last one is here. Let's go here. It'll load in a second now. Okay, there we go. And scroll down. I put all kinds of information. Why is this? I'm being hacked. I'm being hacked. For some reason, this is being slow to open here. Maybe 10,000 of you are reading it at this time. But usually when I'm not having issues, it gives you all the details on what all this means. So a little bit later today, go read that. I do know I host this on Wix, and Wix did have a major server outage the other day. So they might still be having some issues, but go read the article. It explains exactly what this is, what I'm watching for, and why it's important. Look at that slippery little salamander. Okay, let's go to the next piece of news here. Did the U.S. just launch quantitative easing without calling it QE? Really quick, for those who don't know, quantitative easing is when a central bank creates new money to buy government bonds and other assets, injecting liquidity into the financial system, thus debasing their currency. Okay. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent says the U.S. has been working closely with Japan as Tokyo takes steps to strengthen the yen. Why it matters, ladies and gentlemen, if Japan defends the yen without dumping large amounts of U.S. treasuries. Remember, they hold like 1.1 or 1.3 trillion in U.S. debt through treasuries, and the dollar liquidity is provided through official mechanisms such as swap lines or other policy tools. The market impact could resemble the same effects investors associate with quantitative easing, even if it's technically not quantitative easing, okay? That's because it could help ease the pressure in treasury markets while supporting financial stability. So, what's a swap line? Governments can set up swap lines with each other to just swap currencies around. So we could put a bunch of U.S. dollars, create them into a swap line that Japan could use, preventing them from dumping their U.S. treasuries, and essentially we are doing quantitative easing without it looking like that. For gold and silver stackers, liquidity matters. Historically, periods of expanding dollar liquidity have been supportive for hard assets, but the details and policy tools matter. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear his own words.
I think it's important to have a framework here, and just a level set here. The framework begins with the strong relationship between President Trump and the Prime Minister, and I have an extremely good working relationship with my counterpart, the Finance Minister Katayama, and I've been going to Japan since I think 1989. And have more than 50 or 60 visits here, so I'm well versed. But what's important here is we've been in close contact with our Japanese allies, and they are great allies in the region, both militarily and economically. And we understand that they are making serious efforts to stem the substantial undervaluation in their currency, and
AKA intervention, ladies and gentlemen. It's happening before our very eyes, and this is why we stack physical gold and silver, because when governments print to oblivion, this stuff in our hand, zero counterparty risk. This is still 100 ounces of silver right here, no matter what happens. This is still a half ounce of gold in my hand, no matter what happens. And remember, the financial experts, the big bankers, the politicians, all throughout history, try to get people to stack this stuff. Paper, fiat, currency. And remember, every paper fiat currency ever not made when not backed by physical gold and silver has 100% of the time, every time, gone to zero. And as I whip out and plop down this big old fat stack of Vietnam dong, I want to remind you, it got so bad in Zimbabwe, they went to $1 million notes, then they went to $1 billion notes, then they went to $1 trillion notes, and this is what I'm going to get this dong off the silver. I'm sorry, I'm going to get all this dirty paper fiat currency off the silver. But this is protection. As Lynette Zhang says, and she's going to be on the channel next month, shields are made with metal, gold and silver. And this one silver coin here from Venezuela from 1912 is worth more than all of this dirty paper fiat currency combined. It held its buying power while the paper dollars were inflated into oblivion. Next piece of news here. Judy Shelton, the Fed just sent gold and silver a major signal. Former Fed nominee Judy Shelton, and guys, remember, she's the one that wants to bring back gold-backed bonds and all. She's very pro gold and silver. She highlighted recent comments from the Fed, from the New York Fed President John Williams, a permanent FOMC voter whose views are significant and they carry major weight within the Federal Reserve. According to Shelton, Williams' outlook suggests inflation should continue trending lower. Progress toward the Fed's 2% target rate is expected over the next couple of years, culminating in 2028, he said. Current policy may be restrictive enough. Oh! Oh, look what just played! Look what just popped up and played. I don't know why. It's Dino Stacker doing the Raptor run. I'm really not sure why that just played, but it played. Okay, there's my playlist. Hold up. I'm really not sure why that started playing. But if Dino Stacker's in chat, shout out to Dino Stacker. Okay. So the current policy may be restrictive enough without additional rate hikes, ladies and gentlemen. Shelton also noted that if the upcoming economic data, Fed Governor Christopher Waller could become a leading voice to actually rate cut. So we've got this guy right here. He's a permanent seat on the FOMC, John Williams. He's saying that he thinks that we're going down in inflation. We're going to get to that 2%. And then we could have Christopher Waller saying we need to cut. Why gold and silver stackers should care about this? If the Fed ultimately shifts toward lower rates, ladies and gentlemen, while inflation remains above the target, that combination has historically been supportive for precious metals. But if inflation provides more persistent than expected, if it proves more persistent than expected, policymakers have also said they've prepared to tighten policy further if needed. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been on the record since Kevin Warsh was nominated saying that I believe the next move would be a rate cut, and I have not changed my mind. Let's hear from Judy Shelton herself here.
Well, I think it was very
Is it loud enough?
that
Let me know.
John Williams gave a rather benign outlook. He said that he thought inflation would continue to go down closer to the Fed's 2% target this year and next year. I'm not sure you can be predicting, as he did, that by 2028 we will have hit the target. But the point is, he kind of was giving his blessing to pausing, or certainly not raising. And I think that's important. We still are in that perverse world where if the labor numbers were to come in bad, then people like, for example, Christopher Waller might suddenly say, oh, well, we don't have such a solid labor market, so we can lower rates. And
So there you go. You heard it from herself, Judy Shelton. She is very respected by the Federal Reserve. She was just at the Treasury not long ago for a private event. Next piece of breaking news. Breaking, did the Chicago White Sox just sign a deal with the devil? The COMEX logo is now on Major League uniforms. What the heck is going on? The Chicago White Sox are now wearing the COMEX CME Group logo on their sleeves. For most baseball fans, it's just another sponsorship, but for gold and silver stackers, CME Group operates the COMEX, the futures exchange, where the paper price of gold and silver is discovered. Over the years, ladies and gentlemen, the COMEX has drawn criticism for. Okay, hold up. We got to pause here. I'm going to be back. I'm going to be back to the story, but we're about to enter the danger zone. We're going to finish that story in a second, but we are entering the danger zone, which every morning from 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time to 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, this is when the big bankers tend to attack silver. We have hit 62.23 over here, and we tried to here. We're about to try again here. We need to break above that, but as we go into the danger zone, we very well could see some red candles. Traditionally, this is where the big bankers attack us, but there's something on this channel that you guys taught me. We learned it in Boca Raton, Florida on a live stream. It's called the baby gator call, and some scientists found out that 90% of the time, every time we do a baby gator call, could turn a red candle green or a green candle to a BGC. Ladies and gentlemen, the baby gator.
Try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
And ladies and gentlemen, the baby gator worked. We just took out the next level here.
It's science.
Wow, we just pushed to a trading session high on silver of 62.29. We are at a trading session, another target taken out in gold. We just hit 4,201, 4,200 gold, ladies and gentlemen. Smash a like if you're loving the stream. We're only 16 likes away from 200. The next 16 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 17 years.
It's science.
Okay, I had a few more news articles I want to cover, and we'll come back here and watch the Danger Zone unfold live. But back here to the COMEX. So, for gold and silver stackers, the CME Group operates the COMEX, the futures exchange where the paper price of gold and silver's air quote discovered, some would say manipulated. Over the years, the COMEX has drawn criticism for extremely high paper trading volume relative to available physical metal, rising ongoing questions about leverage and price discovery, documented spoofing cases that led to nearly $1 billion in fines and criminal convictions, people sent to federal prison, persistent questions about how well paper prices reflect actual real physical demand of the stuff, gold and silver. Now, the exchange that helps set the benchmark price for precious metals is branding itself in front of millions of baseball fans every week. Is this just smart marketing or a reminder of how influential the futures markets have become in determining the prices the world sees every day? The COMEX Group is literally on their arms, guys. Literally on their arms. I thought that was a fun one. Okay, here's the big one. You guys love this one. Ladies and gentlemen, this day in sound money history, August the 5th, 3 major moments in American history and coinage happened on this exact day. Let's take a trip back to 1861, where Congress passed a supplemental act governing Civil War demand notes, America's first federally issued paper currency to circulate widely. The law authorized $5 notes and made them receivable for public dues. Importantly, these notes were still redeemable on demand for gold coinage. 1909, Treasury Secretary Franklin McVeigh, not related to Timothy, halted production of the new Lincoln cent, ladies and gentlemen, just days after its release over controversy around the designer's initials he had on it, VDB. Only 484,000 1909 SVDB cents were struck, producing and creating one of the most famous key dates coins in U.S. history. Let's jump forward to 1939 with President Franklin D. Roosevelt. He signed legislation ending most previously authorized commemorative coin programs. Remember, guys, we were in the Great Depression, World War II, like coming off the Great Depression, headed into World War II. The world was on fire, and President Roosevelt said, no suit for you, no more commemorative coins were being produced. Why stackers should care about all 3 of these? Governments can change currency laws, redesign coins, remove redemption rights, or end entire monetary programs with the stroke of a pen. Nowadays, it's a key. However, physical gold and silver remain tangible assets you can hold, ladies and gentlemen. And one of the number one things that haters say about gold and silver, it's a relic. It's a thing of the past. That's why I love this stuff. It's been around for literally thousands of years. This is the only asset you could travel back to Roman times and still spend it, and vice versa. Look at that. It's a Japanese silver bar from samurai time. That's from the Abizad Caliphate. These are Roman silver denarius. That is one of the amazing aspects of physical gold and silver, ladies and gentlemen. It's been around for so long. Now, is silver cheap? If you guys think silver's still cheap, put cheap in chat right now. Gold Silver HQ says silver is down 50% from its nominal all-time high of 120. It's down 71% before its CPI inflation-adjusted high of 215. And silver's down 92% from its M2 inflation-adjusted all-time high of $780. Gold and Silver HQ is saying silver is cheap. Okay, we're pushing higher here. We just took out our next target on silver. We just took out 62.38, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. Becky, look at that bar. We just hit a trading session high in silver of 62.49. We got to blast through 62.50, and then 63.28 is another key level. But 62.50, we got to blast through that. Gold's pushing higher. We're about to take out our next target, hitting $4,209.41. Gold to silver ratio is plummeting like a plane stalling in the air. 67.42 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold, ladies and gentlemen. And we are just 39 minutes away from the Shanghai Future Exchange Market opening the big La Bamba If this opened right now, we would be gapping up. We would be gapping up, but we're going to read the tea leaves when we get closer. And we're still pushing higher here in the danger zone, ladies and gentlemen. It appears the baby gator is working.
It's science.
Okay. Let me put this up here. Okay, I'm looking at chat now. I have not been looking at chat. We got over 800 people on the stream. Thank you, everybody. Welcome. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I'm giving away over 100 ounces of silver, 169 ounces of copper and gold. Soon, the entry video for that is coming out Sunday. You don't want to miss it, so subscribe, turn on the notifications. If you think you're subscribed, double check here and on X, because X and YouTube will unsubscribe you to test and see if you resubscribe back. It's a quality check. It's annoying. They do it. Just make sure you're still subscribed. But we are only 60 likes away from a 300 like stream. I know we could do that. The next 60 people that smash like are going to get good luck for 17 months.
It's science.
Now, this is my full-time job, ladies and gentlemen, so I just want to say thank you. Thank you for coming every day, 2 times a day to hang out with your boy. I do appreciate it. Every super chat, every gifted membership, every membership helps so much. All the jewels help. I really appreciate it. This is my full-time job. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And guess what? You can support the channel without spending a dime. Simply smash the like button. We're now only about 46 likes away from 300. And the Fat Ginger just gifted 10 memberships. It went to Jumping into Silver. It went to Rydong. It went to Knight. It went to Chris. It went to Sati Y. It went to another Chris. I'm looking. Did it go? I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
Taste the soup.
Good soup.
No soup for you.
Poor con, no soup for Yukon Cornelius. Jenner Tool, thank you for the jewels. As we push higher here on silver, ladies and gentlemen, our next target, after just hitting a trading session high of 62.52, our next target here is going to be 62.56. Silver's up nearly 5%, 4.95%. Let's take a look here. DXY, ladies and gentlemen, the dollar index is falling precipitously. Remember, when the DXY goes down, that puts positive bullish pressure, green, on gold and silver. When it goes up, it puts negative bearish red pressure on gold and silver. It doesn't always move inversely, but a lot of the time it does. Oil's kind of crab rocking right now. CL1 is at $75 a barrel. U.S. oil's at 76. WTI crude's at 76. Crude is, the symbol doesn't exist anymore. What? What the? This price on this went so low they got rid of the symbol? I'll have to look into that after the stream. Brent is down to $79.90. So they're all sub 80 now, guys. They are all sub 80. The bankers are like, quick, get rid of that symbol. It's crashing too quickly. Wow. What a stream, ladies and gentlemen. Keep smashing that like button. We're only 4 away from 300. The next 4 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 6 months.
It's science.
Now, I did want to thank all the channel members on the stream. It's viewers like you that help me do what I do. Every week, I do 2 channel member-only live streams in the War Room. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. You must be fully clothed. It's not an option. But I do 2 of those a week. But a big shout-out. And thank you to all the Diamond Claw level members. Your names are on the screen there. I got to update it again. We got a new Diamond Clawer last night. But the question to everyone in chat, even if you're not a channel member, do you have Diamond Claws?
Diamond claws.
Do you got them? And a lot of people think that is me in that video. That's not me. That's Burton Vlogs. I have never shown my face on purpose on the channel. We've had a few accidental face reveals that I had to fix, but never on purpose. Okay. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. We are coiling here. We are getting ready for another push higher on silver. Let's see if there's any true socials this morning that no. There you go. Let's see. Okay, nothing new that would be really moving the market. 21 green candles in a row, says Oxby. Wow. 20, is that 99 red balloons? 99 green candles. Okay, we just took out another target on gold. We just took out another target on gold, hitting 4,213.38. Ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Now, don't forget, I've got it pinned. I'm going to be in Ron's basement at about noon today, so tune in for that. I think I've hit that, so I'm going to go ahead and close that out. Big shout out to the sponsor of this channel, HeroBullion.com. They've got the starter pack, 5 ounces of silver at spot with the security high-quality radio lines. It is now back over 300, 309.43. It's at spot price, ladies and gentlemen. Let's refresh it. It comes in an orange satchel. It's now up to 312. If you want it, get it ASAP. Might as well pick up some of their deals. They've got silver at and below spot. They've got gold. They got this beautiful hand-poured Buffalo 10-ounce, 79 cents over spot. So big thank you to Hero Bullion. Check them out. HeroBullion.com. And I'm going to pin the link. If you want to pick up that starter pack, I've pinned the link in chat. And Wyvern gifted a membership. That went to Cars Exploded. Congratulations, Cars. Now, guys, I've got a question for you. Hold up. Okay, I've got a question for you. Let's see. Hold up. This is going to be fun. This is going to be a fun one. Okay, I want you right now to tell me which one is fake and which one's real. Or just tell me which one's fake. Is the left one fake or the right one fake? Is the left one real or the right one real? You have 10 seconds to guess. Let me flip them. Which one's real? Which one's fake? Ladies and gentlemen, if you thought either of them were real, you would have been scammed. These are both fake. These were sent to me by viewers like you who were unfortunately scammed. You got to protect yourself. You got to do it now. Things are getting so bad. Can you tell me which one of these Morgan silver dollars is fake? Which of these Mercury dimes is real and fake? Is this slabbed American silver eagle real? Look at this 90% Milwaukee Liberty. Ladies and gentlemen, all of those coins except this one, plated in gold, were fake. Either you can spend $3,500 plus on a Sigma Metalytics Verifier Pro, or you can invest in something that one of the Crustacean Nation created. It is the Pocket Pinger by Sound Money. Passed. That was the real one. Failed. That Walking Liberty. Failed. Ladies and gentlemen, it's only $38. Link is in the description below. You get the Pocket Pinger. You get the stick. You get access to the free phone application. It's literal science. $38 can protect you from a fake silver coin, a fake gold coin, even fake silver bars, and 90%. And it helps support the channel too. So thank you so much. Click the link below. I believe it's mandatory for all stackers, and it's only $38. Protect your stack now. Whack your stack, ladies and gentlemen. I will pin the link in chat. And thank you for Dan Walda for gifting 10 memberships. I'm looking. It went to Cheryl. It went to Carlos. It went to Noob. It went to Zebra. It went to Adam. It went to Harl. It went to Mike Rutledge. It went to a bunch of people. I hate to say it. No soup for Con.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Now, the link for the Pocket Pinger is pinned in chat, guys. Get yourself a Pocket Pinger. It's only $38. It finds one coin. It's paid for itself. Silver Pug said to find out what moves the market. What moves the markets is on Telegram. A few groups reveal all conspiracy theories before it becomes truth. Past and future. Oh, wow. Silver Pug's talking conspiracy. Let us put on our tinfoil hats. I need a scene for that. I need a tinfoil hat scene. I need a tinfoil hat scene. That'd be funny. Thank you, Amina, for the firework you sent. I appreciate that. Did I hear about the gold heist in... No, is it new? Let's check out. Gold heist in Spain. Is it new? I heard about one a little bit ago. Was there a gold robbery in I know there was one in Spain like, I don't know, a month or two ago. $200. Okay, I will do an article on this after the stream. Thank you. I did not hear about that. I will do an article on it, or at least an X post. Wow. Hey, Mr. Popzilla, good to see you. Thank you, Duevo Alme Maria, for the jewels. Ladies and gentlemen, we're only 8 likes away from 350. Keep smashing it. The next 8 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 17 years.
It's science.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are out of the danger zone officially. But we are hitting some major pressure here.
I am never going to financially recover from this.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're not going to take this attack we're seeing on silver. I'm going in.
Smith, a falling hard with one arm on the top. Oh my God. Oh no, he's not. Major choke slam.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
And some scientists say that 90% of the time, every time I play that clip and we do the baby gator call, it could turn a red candle green or a green candle to a BGC. So we'll see if it plays out here. But guys, I'm seeing something a bit shocking here. I hate to say it, but that is not Daisy's hump. That looks like a shark fin attack. Now, don't forget, guys, I don't always just stream charts. I don't always just stream the market. I literally travel the world on gold and silver adventures. You guys direct it. We're always getting into something. Recently, we had a 911 call. We saw a volcano erupting. Like, we have some fun times, so make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications. And remember, soon I'm giving away over 100 ounces of silver, 169 ounces of copper, and some gold, so subscribe, turn on those notifications. It wasn't that long ago, I was at the Great Pyramid of Giza, and we met one of the matriarchs of the channel, Daisy the Camel.
Take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. Eshesam here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There you go. Oh, wow, look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
Yeah, that was amazing. I did a whole live stream from the back of that camel. You can find it. It's like 40 minutes long. An Egyptian Uber. China tried to stop paper manipulation on the gold market. Has that gap, has the gap between the COMEX and gotten greater? No. At least for silver, because I don't really watch the gap with gold. At least with silver, we've been running a constant $7 premium, $7-ish. Before that, it was $10. Before that, last year when we were having the major pre-market action movements, it was about 15. So with silver, we're still 7. Now, guys, this is going to be opening up here in just 26 minutes. This is the Shanghai Future Exchange, so go nowhere. This could be absolutely explosive when this happens. So when we get closer to that, I'm gonna need you guys all to buckle up. And Daily saying 3.5 hours and we get more of International Stacker in Ron's basement. That's right, I will be on there. Going absolutely insane. It's gonna be a fun one. Okay, let's see what you guys are saying on X, formerly known as Twitter here. Thank you, Sicilian, for putting out the live stream. Look at next exit. Look at this.
I'm out of soup, sir. May I have some more?
Next exit is demanding soup. No new meeting. Don't know where it is coming. What is this for? No new meeting. Don't know where it is coming. Yeah, there is a meeting. It's happening. Thank you, Sublime, for putting out the stream. Thank you, Lewis and FGK Stacker, for putting out the stream. Thank you, RBC, for putting out my post there. Thank you, Scott. Okay, let's go here. Let's check out breaking news. What the heck is going on in the world? Okay, we got clowns dancing. Okay. A bunch of memes this morning. Silver explodes to 62.73. Well, how is that possible, guys? We only got to 62.52. They're talking about in the silver futures market. So there you go. Right now, silver futures 62.73. That is up here. I can't wait till I'm yelling Lee Shize Guardian again, guys. You remember those days? You remember those days? Are you going to wear chaps in Ron's basement? No! Brian, I will not put the chaps on. Ugh. And we got 850 people watching. Thank you so much. Keep smashing that like button. I'm only 31 likes away from 400, ladies and gentlemen. Let's pump it up. Thank you so much. Okay. Gold just adds 800 billion to market today. Futures hit a record high. Gold, silver, HQ. Mining stocks in China are ripping. Gosh, I bet the mining stocks are going insane today. Paper silver traders, every time silver dips 40%, they panic sell their silver. I'm looking for any breaking news that's going to be moving the market. Wait, Iran directly rejects Axios' claim that the U.S., Iran, Oman have a deal to open the Strait of Hormuz. Guys, if there's an actual deal today with Iran, there's all kinds of rumors, but if that actually happens, we're going to rip even higher. What is the largest audience ever on the stream? I had an 8,000, I think, was my biggest. 8,000, and that was the day silver was going crazy. I was yelling all-time high for like 6 hours straight. I think that live stream was like 6 or 8 hours. It was crazy. SGT says, IS will not have his chaps on during his stream with Ron. He will be naked? No!
How dare you?
Certainly not SGT. Woo! Yes. Guys, I've been having a crazy thought. I've been having an absolute insane thought. I've been thinking about putting this battle crab. Now, this is the prototype. Look at its number, 000. I've been thinking about putting this guy in the big, beautiful bounty. For whoever gets con soup. Would that be insane? Would that be absolutely crazy? Would it be crazy? Number 000. This is the collaboration with Reckless Metals. It's in there. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Oh my goodness. That thing's got to be worth some money. The regulars are selling over $200 a pop on eBay right now. I don't know. What is that worth? $1,000? I don't know. What do you guys think? It's in there. Who wants it? Jeff Stout wants it. He just gifted 5 memberships. Wyvern wants it. He just gifted 5 memberships. Finger saying, soup it up.
Open the kitchen. We've got hungry crustaceans.
Feature Moto just gifted a membership. Thank you so much. Soup is falling from heaven. Get your bowls up. SGT with 10. SGT wants it. Did SGT get it? Let's see. In the Fed got it. Let's see here. Who's going to get it? I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
And Soup Dom just gifted 5 memberships. Thank you. Guys, if you're like, what are all these talks about crustaceans, about soups, about mega gauze, about all this stuff on the channel, all you got to do is check out the website, internationalstacker.com. And on the top of it, and I think Wix is having a problem this morning, on the top here, there's channel lore. You can click that. And this talks about all the memeology, all the lore in the channel, guys. It runs super deep. You could go here. The last one here is about No Soup for John, what it came from, what it means. Feature Moto just gifted 5 memberships. It went to Mama's T Coins. Nice, Mama T. Went to Mr. E, Jeff's, Imperial, and Killer. Man, Cornelius is hungry. Jeff Stout with another 5, and Wyvern with 1. Is Cornelius, Yukon Cornelius, going to get soup? Thank you, Real Bill, for the jewels. As we're watching Silver here get a major smackdown. 62.02, ladies and gentlemen. We're now up only we're up 4.19% on the trading session. It's okay. Nothing goes straight up forever except the U.S. national debt. This is the only thing that goes straight up forever. We're at $39.8 trillion. Totally disgusting. Mark Midwell says, play the whole song, please. The kitchen's open. Do it. I can't, Mark Midwell. I promised I would never play that whole song again. Too many people hate it. It could literally rip our fragile nation apart. SGT says, I can't believe you just dropped that proto. You are mega. Yeah, it's in there. Who's going to get it? Honestly, I don't know. What is that thing worth? I bet it could sell for $1,000. I don't know. But guess what? I'm giving it away. Dominator Vaughn says, those people are gone. But okay, let me see. Let me take a poll. Should I play the Open the Kitchen Soup song that nearly destroyed our fragile republic? Okay, here comes the poll. Let's see what you guys say. Thank you, Kelly Gage, for gifting 10 memberships. I'm looking. Did Con get soup? Con, did you get soup? I'm looking. I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Okay, we've got the poll going right now. We've got about 100 votes. 64% play it. 35% say no, how dare you. We're going to let this go for a little bit longer. Wyvern gives a membership. It went to Halster. Sicilian Sacker gives 10 memberships. It's going so quick I can't even read the names, but I'm looking. Silver Bull got it. Yukon Cornelius has still gotten no soup. Thank you, Real Bill, for the jewels. Drop the mic says thoughts. One-time stream where it rains 50 in stream. I'm not sure what that means, dropping the mic. I'm not sure what that means. Hey, Chris Shimmick has to go to work. Drive safe, Chris Shimmick. We'll see you tonight. Okay, we had 120 votes. I'm going to end it. 65% of you say play it. 35% say no. Plug your ears if you hate it. Ladies and gentlemen, the kitchen is open.
Open the kitchen. We've got hungry crustaceans. John got soup, yeah. But how about you? Are you hungry? Say it out loud.
I'm extra sloppy.
Are you hungry? Who wants soup? Hungry. Come get your soup. Open the kitchen. We're cold.
I can eat 50 eggs.
Are you hungry? Come get your soup.
Check, please.
There's a lot of classic movies in that video. Spaceballs. Was it Shawshank Redemption was in there? Family Trip. What else was in there? There's a bunch. I can't even remember. Oh, Indiana Jones was in there. Hook was in there with Robin Williams. A lot of classics in there. Spaceballs. Okay, let's see here. We got Kelly Gage gifted 10 memberships. And Future Motive gifted 5. I am not seeing... Yukon, did you get soup? Yukon, did you get soup? Oh my goodness, did Yukon Cornelius get soup? Fingers just gifted 5. Guys, it's going crazy. It's going absolutely insane. Cadence X says, help, silver's crashing.
I am never going to financially recover from this.
It's okay. Don't panic. Don't panic. Diamond claws. Diamond claws. We're in it for the long term. Remember, gold and silver stacking, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. But gold and silver stacking's not for the long term. It's for the short. It's for the short term. SGT Stacking gifted 5 memberships. Oli Stacker gifted it. Dropping the Mike gifted it. Wow. Woo! Thank you all so much. Mark Midwell says, nice one. Play it more often. Sounds good energy. I gotta convert it. I'm gonna convert the style to like hair rock. No Soup Dom, or Soup Dom now. She gifted it. She gifted 5. Oh, did I say short term? Yeah. Sorry, I got distracted. Gold and silver physical stacking is for the mid to long term, not the short term. Short term, if you're getting in physical, because it's going to shoot the moon, you're going to mortgage the children, charge up your credit card, it's going to shoot the moon, no, it's dangerous, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the net with crabs. Mid to long term, physical gold and silver, that's where we're at. Oh man, Soup is just falling like oh my gosh! Jeff Stout! Oh my gosh! Jeff Stout just gifted 50 memberships. I'm watching. Oh my goodness. Did Yukon Cornelius get Soup? I'm watching. I'm looking. They keep coming. Get your bowls in the sky if you're hungry. Kaltenberg, get your bowls in the sky. It's still happening. This is insane. Oh my goodness. Yukon, did you get Soup? I'm looking. Did Yukon get Soup? Oh my goodness. Did Yukon? I hate to say it.
Sir, I want some more.
Taste the soup.
Good soup.
No soup for you.
Wow. What a stream, ladies and gentlemen. As silver's starting to push higher, we need a baby gator.
Try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa! What was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
And look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Fowler got Soup and saying thank you to SGT Stacking for the gifted Soup. Look at that, guys. Gnome Growing Garden got Soup. Oh, my goodness. Dean in chat needs Soup. Crafty Stacker gifted 5. Wow. What a stream, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. This big, beautiful bounty just got beautiful and bigger. Nothing venture, nothing game, says Jeff Stout. Thank you so much. Guys, so far, Jeff Stout has the all-time record for this live stream, 50 gifted memberships. Can we chant, nay, can we give Jeff a salute right now in chat? Wow, thank you. Just cracked 500,000 claws. Chasing that mill, says Oli Stacker. You got this, Oli. You just keep pushing. And silver's starting to reverse here. It appears the baby gator may be working.
It's science.
61.86. We're up 3.93% on the trading session on silver. Gold's up 2.87%. That means that gold to silver ratio is sitting right at 67.83%. And guys, the big La Bamba Shanghai Futures Exchange opens in just about 10 minutes. Wow. Buckle up. Don't go anywhere. Selfish is saying he wants a diamond claw, and he wants it now. Well, you got to enter the Mega Shellfish, because that's the only way to win it for now. We might release some after the Mega. I've got to try to schmooze SGT, see if we can make it happen. But right now, the only way to get diamond claws is to enter and win part of the Mega. Thank you for that golden poop, a real Bill. No, we're out of the danger zone. That ended... The danger zone is from 8:15 to 8:30 a.m. So we're out of that. We left that about 20 minutes ago. Natty Stacker, thank you for gifting those 5. Soup John, thank you for gifting the 1. Oh my goodness, guys. Are we going to set the record for Soup? Let's see. So if we go to memes here, the record for the most gifted memberships in one stream, let's see. 364. That's the all-time high. We're at 188 gifted memberships. Are we going to beat the all-time high? For those who are missing it, We have a big, beautiful bounty for whoever gets a gifted membership to Yukon Cornelius, and I just dropped this in there. It's truly one of a kind. It's the Battle Crab collab I did with Reckless Metals, but this is the proto. Look at that. 000. Wow. Drop the mic says, thoughts. Every 200 membership gift 1 ounce or equivalent goes into the bounty. It would be a running total. I don't know, dropping the mic, maybe. But that would be hard. Just another thing for me to keep track of. I just kind of like adding things. You know, I like the spontaneity of it. I don't know if I need another thing to track. Real Bill says it's time for a BGC. Akil, thank you so much for those jewels. Yeah, that is the proto. Whoever gets Yukon Cornelius soup is going to claim it. Wow. We're only 12 more memberships away from 200. That will trigger the next No Soup for Con song. Let's see what you guys are saying on X, formerly known as Twitter. The U.S. market is trying to put silver back to sleep as per usual. Here it is. I got my own soup. Look at this. Oh. Beeped info, guys. Look, he got it. He got the 2026 Britannia copper nickel. This was weighs 28 grams instead of 31, and it's copper nickel instead of silver. Congratulations. It looks like he got a MS68. Congratulations. Beeped info. Wow. Thank you, Roland, for putting out the live stream or the news. Okay, let's go back to the chart. Thank you, Fingers, for gifting 10 memberships. I'm looking. Did it go? Okay, we're 2 away from triggering the song. We're 2 away from triggering the song, and Yukon still got no soup. Get that bull up, Yukon Cornelius. Get it up in the sky. Oh, my goodness. Joseph with 50. Oh, my goodness. Get your bulls in the sky. It's falling. Yukon Cornelius, I'm watching. Is Yukon Cornelius getting soup? Let's see it. Silver Keys just got soup. Team HTNF just got soup. Oh my goodness. I'm watching, guys. This is hard to keep up with. I'm watching. Yukon, did you get soup? It's still falling. Guys, if we could all give a salute to Joseph. Joseph has tied Jeff Stout for the most gifted memberships on the stream. Yukon, did you get soup? I'm waiting for an update from Yukon. I'm waiting for an update. Let's see. I'm waiting for an update. All it takes is a drop, says Dom. Did he get it? I'm looking. Where is he? I hate to say it. No soup for Con.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Guys, we are literally 100, like 120 memberships away from the all-time high. Regata Media just gifted 5 memberships. And that went to Shaba. It went to Hippie. It went to Lives. It went to Jim. It went to Super Dad. Nice. I'm sorry, Con. No soup for Con. Guys, this bounty is crazy. We're seeing a classic shark fin attack here on silver. And on gold. Don't panic. Do not panic. Do not panic. Mr. Fowler says, that's weird. My last bowl of soup turned up being empty 2 days ago. It just filled back up. Thanks again, SGT Stacking. That is nice. Look at that, guys. Silver Pug, member for 8 months, saying, I am stacking silver shoelaces. Wow. Tweet me a picture of that, Silver Pug. That sounds epic. And, guys, Ben Bateman, the winner of the last Hidden Horde in Springfield, Illinois, just gifted 10 memberships. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm looking. I hate to say it.
Sir, I want some more.
no soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
And ladies and gentlemen, we are only 4 minutes away. I almost forgot about it. 4 minutes away. So let's see where we're at here. Man, guys, we were going to get a massive gap up. We were on the way for that. But 69.68. We're now at 61.60. So that puts us at 68. We may be seeing a gap down. I hate to say it, but we may be seeing a little gap down in Shanghai, but it's okay. Don't panic. What are you guys? Are you team green or team red? Let me know. Thank you. Let's check the Dow futures. Thank you, fingers. Dow futures is up 225 points. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We may be team red in it, guys. I think we need to stand up against the big bankers to hold this BRC. Okay. Okay, you want it. I'm going in.
Dudley! Smith! A fallen hard with one arm! On the top! Oh my God! Oh no, he's not! Major choke slam!
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just 3.5 minutes away from the Big La Bamba Shanghai Futures Exchange from opening here. We really need a last-minute push here on the candle here in silver to get a gap up. Right now, it's looking like we're going to be moving down a little bit. Let's keep watching it with bated breath without becoming the bait. Guys, we are only 101 gifted memberships away from the all-time high. Are we going to blow that out of the water? I don't know. We'll find out here live. It is definitely a shark fin. What's it to you? SGT says, imagine how crazy the soup kitchen would get if you were to drop the Baggins. Oh, let me see if I could find that. Hold up. Okay, let me see. Okay, we got 3 minutes. Hold on, let me find this. Hold up. Hold up. I'm looking. I'm looking for it. Hold up. Hold your horses. I can't find it. It's somewhere in here. I can't find it. Somewhere. So Silver Dragons, guys. Silver Dragon's name used to be Silver Baggins, and he got like a cease and desist from freaking Lord of the Rings. So he changed it to Silver Dragons from Silver Baggins. I have one of the original Silver Baggins rounds that MK Bars came out with. I used to have a couple, but I traded some to SGT stacking. Thank you, Real Bill, for gifting those jewels. Yeah, the Baggins is the holy. Yeah, that is a good one. I've only got one left. I had 5 at one point. I've traded them all over the years. Okay, guys, we're a minute and a half away. 61.54 Shanghai. 61.54. 5, 6, 7, 68. We might be gapping, guys. We may be gapping down up to $1. We may be gapping down up to $1. Are you team green or team red? Let me know right now. Let me know right now. We are 1 minute away. I'm issuing a danger zone alert here. I'm issuing a danger zone alert here. Okay. We're 40 seconds away. Are you guys team green or team red? Let me know. Buckle up, guys. This is going to be violent. I need you all to be prepared. I said the road was going to be long, dark, and full of terrors. That was not hyperbole, ladies and gentlemen. 20 seconds. I need you to prepare. This is what you've been training for day after day. This is why you have those hard shells. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just 10 seconds away here from a gap down on the Shanghai Futures Exchange, but we'll see what happens once we gap down. We could rip higher in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay, it wasn't that bad. Guys, it was not that bad. It was a gap down, but it was only a handful of cents. Okay. Okay, we'll take it. Okay. We're gapped down to about 69.32 in Shanghai Futures Exchange. Some call it the Big La Bamba, but now we're on a green candle heading higher to 69.55. I would love to see us take out this 72 level. That is what I want, to take out the 72 level. Let's see what we could do here. And thank you, Chicken Nugget, for gifting a membership. That went to Snoop Roach. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis there. Wow. Okay, we are pushing higher here on Shanghai. Let's see if the COMEX is... Okay, COMEX is starting to get a BGC forming here, a big green candle on silver and gold. As we speak, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like this is the classic reverse DTB, otherwise known as the shark fin. Fake out. So we're going to keep watching it. Silverpug says how to buy and send memberships. In your chat, Silverpug, I don't know if you're on TV, phone, or computer, but in your chat, the live chat down at the bottom, there's like a plus sign or there's like a dollar sign or some sign. You got to click there and do it there, Silverpug. Oh my goodness, Joseph! Joseph just gifted another 50 memberships. That is 100 memberships for Joseph. Oh my goodness. Get your bowls in the sky if you want soup. It's raining like manna. Oh my goodness, Kaltenberg, are you finally going to get soup? Let's see. Kaltenberg forever has been saying it's a myth. Chicken Nugget with the gifted membership. Let's see here. Let's see here. I'm watching it. I'm not seeing it yet. Did Khan get soup? Let's see here. Let's see here. I'm watching. Yukon Cornelius, get your bowl up. It's still falling from the sky. Yukon Cornelius, did you get soup? I could not keep up with that. I'm looking. Did you get soup? Let's watch him right now. Kallenberg says it's a conspiracy. They need soup. It's still being assigned. No soup for Khan!
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
And guys, Jason, thank you for being a channel member. Just gifted 5 memberships. Oh my goodness, Jeff Stout, another 50! Oh my goodness! Guys, we're going to hit an all-time high here. Oh, my goodness. I'm looking. Chicken Nugget with another one. We literally have soup falling from the sky. Oh, my goodness. Get your bowls up, guys, and we are reversing on silver. BGC on silver and gold here as we are pumping in Shanghai towards $70 an ounce. COMEX, we're pumping back up towards $62 an ounce here. Yukon Cornelius, did you get soup? I can't even keep up anymore. Yukon, did you get soup? Did you get it? Early rare coins, I dropped something crazy. I dropped something crazy in there. I dropped something absolutely insane in that box. I'm going to show it to you in 1 second here. No soup for Khan!
Sir, I want some more.
no soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Okay, so besides the stuff that was already in there, which is probably $800 to $1,000 on its own, I dropped this in there. This is the prototype. Look, 000 of the Battle Crab with Reckless Metals. It's the one without armor. These were selling just by themselves for $200 a pop on eBay. This is the prototype. That's what I dropped in there. Wow. Guys, did we do it? Hold up. I think we did it. We broke the record. We broke the record. The record, ladies and gentlemen, the record was 364 memberships gifted. Yet another historic day. We just hit 371 gifted memberships. That means we're only 29 away from 400. My mind is blowing right now. Thank you so much for the support. And we're only 32 likes away from 500. I know we can make this a 500 like stream. Keep smashing that like button, ladies and gentlemen. The next 50 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 5 years, we'll call it.
It's science.
Wow. Thank you so much for the alert, Jules. Ewan, thank you. Wyvern gifted a membership. Steven in chat says they're soupless. Wow. Wow. Woo! AG Astronaut, I did show part of the Dino Stackers Raptor run earlier. By mistake, it just popped up, so I let it play. Soup goes to all subscribers, live or not. Yeah. That's right, earlier rare coins. A soup gets gifted to any person who's subscribed. They could be on or not. But it happens. Jeff needed soup. We got Jeff soup. Rick Harrison got soup. Dom got soup. We were going to do SERP, but they got soup before we could do SERP. Well, then we were doing Donna Sim, and she did it for one day and said, you know what? I want soup, so she got her own soup. So now we're at Yukon Cornelius. SGT Stacker says, Master Blacker says, drop a cork. Drop a diamond claws while you're at... No. Oh, the diamond claws are arriving tonight. Nice. That's epic. Silverpuck says, I have an iPad, no computer. Why do I not see gifting? I don't know. Email me, Silverpug. I'll help you out. Email me. Or does anyone know how to gift a membership on an iPad? Help him out in chat. Real Bill just saw a baby gator just saw a baby gator. Wow. Go buy silver in Texas. I am planning a Texas trip soon. Guys, for the Hidden Hoard, I'm going to be hiding 5 ounces of silver. A bar for you guys to find at the A&A Coin Show in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. But soon I'll be adding Texas on there. So stay tuned for subscriber. For subscriber. I almost said survivor. For subscriber meet and greet. Somewhere in Texas, followed by a Hidden Hoard. That's coming. Like a freight train. How many total members do you have? Like 3,800, I believe. Early rare coins, 3,800. Hyperfixation says, I have yet to figure out how to gift from a phone. Have to use a computer for my monthly gift, says Hyperfixation. Interesting. Guys, we're pushing higher here on silver. We are just 22 minutes away from the stock market opening. We're up 200 points. Do you guys want me to keep going till the stock market open? Let me know right now. I've got to do oh, Master Blaster just gifted 5 memberships. Wow, thank you, Master Blaster. I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Mr. Fowler says, if you get soup, are you able to gift a membership? I tried to make it rain, but I don't see an option where to click the... I'm not sure how that works, Mr. Fowler. I'm not sure. I think you can. But I'm not sure. You can email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com. I'll try to figure it out with you later. Are we cooling or crab walking today? I don't know, Caleb. I need to see what happens when the stock market opens to answer that intelligently. Things are going insane. Here comes SGT with another 5. Thank you, SGT. Guys, we're only 21 away from breaking 400 gifted memberships. That's absolutely insane. Thank you, SGT. Still no soup for Dom or Con. Guys, you got to protect yourself now.
Fakes are getting so bad. Can you tell me which one of these Morgan silver dollars is fake? Which of these Mercury dimes is real and fake? Is this slabbed American silver eagle real? Look at this 90% Milwaukee Liberty. Ladies and gentlemen, all of those coins except this one, plated in gold, were fake. Either you can spend $3,500 plus on a Sigma Metalytics Verifier Pro, or you can invest in something that one of the Crustacean Nation created. It is the Pocket Pinger by Sound Money. Passed. That was the real one. Failed. That Walking Liberty. Failed. Ladies and gentlemen, it's only $38. Link is in the description below. You get the Pocket Pinger. You get the stick. You get access to the free phone application. It's literal science. $38 can protect you from a fake silver coin, a fake gold coin, even fake silver bars, and 90%. And it helps support the channel too. So thank you so much. Click the link below. I believe it's mandatory for all stackers, and it's only $38. Protect your stack now. I just did a clandestine Raptor run to refill my coffee. AG Astronaut gifted a membership. And Eagle Eyes gifted 5. I'm looking. Wow. Guys, get a Pocket Pinger. Link is in the description.
We are 12 members away from breaking 400 gifted memberships. We are only 12 away from 400. Dropping the mic says, I'm out of soup. What about Brando? It's got what crabs crave. Is that from Idiocracy? It's got what plants need. I love that. Look at that in chat, ladies and gentlemen. David, Crustacean Commander for 2 months. You get my salute, sir. Been gifted 4 memberships. Last 2 back-to-back. Thank you. Wow, that's amazing, David. And Jeff Stout gives 10 memberships. A-Dub gives 5. I'm looking. Did Kong get soup? Did Kong get soup? I'm not seeing it. No soup for Khan.
Please, sir, I want some more.
Here's the soup.
Good soup.
No soup for you.
Wow, 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 wow. Someone's asking how far we are away from unlocking a new emoji. Let me check here. Oh, hold up. I don't know. It's not. I think we're like 100 away or something. I don't know. Thank you to Scott Valpy. I'm sorry. Scott Valpy has been a diamond clause for 5 months saying, risk not thy whole wad. Whoa, Scott saying, risk your whole wad. Thank you so much for being a Diamond Claw, Scott. Thank you to all the Diamond Claw members. It's viewers like you and all the other channel members that help me do what I do. Thank you so much. The question for everyone in chat right now, even if you're not a channel member, do you have Diamond Claws? Do you got them?
Diamond claws.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, Commander Craig from the 42nd Battle Crab just gifted 5 memberships. And those went to A-Dub. A-Dub just got a soup. A-Dub literally just gave soup, and he just won soup. That's apropos. Congratulations, A-Dub. I hate to say it again.
Sir, I want some more.
Here's the soup.
Good soup.
No soup for you.
And Gold Sniping Farmer, Crustacean Commander for 2 months. You get my salute, sir, saying, come on, son. Wow. I got the Hero Bullion 5 ounces at spot coming Friday, says Sean Leslie. Congratulations, Sean. Guys, don't sleep on that, especially on this little dip we just had. Check out HeroBullion.com. Proud sponsor of the channel. Search for their starter pack. 5 ounces of silver at spot, $309.36. Shipped to you for free in a little satchel. Might as well pick up some silver at or below spot and other great deals while you're there. Check them out. HeroBullion.com. Guys, we did it. We broke 400 gifted members. Thank you so much. The Crustacean Nation is growing. This is absolutely insane. Chicken Nugget just gifted a membership. That went to Crime Matters. As we are just 16 minutes away from the stock market opening here. 223 points up. Wow, 54,491. Are we going to 55,000 today? Guys, this is absolutely insane. I'm going to pin the link for Hero Bullion if you want that starter pack. I'm pinging it and pinning it in chat right now. Thank you, Ralph Ramsey. Gold Sniping Farmer says silver starting under spot in tonight's auction, assuming we stay over 60. Guys, Gold Sniping Farmer, check him out, content creator. He's got a auction tonight, and he says there will be silver under spot in that. That sounds pretty mega. And he is a crustacean. Okay. Wow. Wow. See what people are saying here. GoldenEye says demand is up and will be for a long time. Totally agree on silver. Okay, let's see what people here are saying. Someone's saying, what is copper at? Well, let's go to internationalstacker.com. Let's click on live metal prices here. Whoops. Let's go all the way down here to copper. Copper is at $6.63. Here's the 1 minute chart. Wow. What did you just recently... Pullist, I haven't bought... The last thing I showed you is the last thing I bought, the gold backs and the Morgan silver dollars. But I've got a video coming out on Saturday. I'll drop the link in chat. It's a premiere, so I'll be live in the chat with you. This, I spent over $700 at the Fun Coin Show with the CEO of Hero Bullion, Jake. So that's, if you want to really know, that's the good video to watch. So I'm going to drop the link to Premiere in chat. Make sure you click it. Make sure you go like it. Make sure you click notify me because you're not going to want to miss it. That's going to be an absolute heater of a video there. As we are just 14 minutes away from the Dow Jones opening up. We are in, we're going to be opening to an all-time high. The market is ripping, guys. The DXY is down. Oil is kind of crab walking right now. Buckle up. Wow. Wow. Regatta says, I posted an article regarding the market melt-up. Thank you, Regatta. Can you tag me in that, Regatta, so I could see it? I may retweet that. Soup John says, 400 bowls of soup. You should be saying all-time high in Chinese. Li Shi Zhe Guadian! Li Shi Zhe Guadian! There you go, Soup John. How's that? Go into the scrapyard, 700 pounds clean and #1 copper. You're an electrician. Awesome guitar stuff. That's amazing. Wow. Woo! Running Stupid won the duel and took my 15,000 claws. Okay. I need to change this song. This is some baby making music, and Mrs. IS is not here right now. She went out on the town. No, she didn't. She went out to run some errands. I'm home alone, ladies and gentlemen. The chaps only go on when Mrs. IS is here. It's a rule critical to our marriage. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. She does not encourage me to wear the chaps. Guys, we are just about 12 and a half minutes away here from not Shanghai, the Dow Jones opening on a BGC to an all-time high of 54,502. It's 55,000 right around the bend. Can you guys not hear the music? Can you not hear the background music right now? Guys, I'm rocking out. I like to keep the background music low enough to where it's just barely background music for you guys. But for me, I bump it in my ears. Okay, I'm going to turn it up a little. How is that? Is it too loud now? If it's too loud now, the background music, put too loud. Did she go to the local farmer's market in Cuba? She went to buy some lettuce. She went to get some lettuce. Okay, guys, is the music too high now? Let me know. Okay, some people are saying too loud. Ouch. Okay, I'm going to back it down one notch. Okay. I backed it down a notch. I think that should be perfect. Okay, I backed it down 5 decibels. How's that? Is it perfect now? Let me know. And keep smashing that like, ladies and gentlemen. Over 700 people on the live stream. And we're just 41 likes to 550 like stream. I know we could do that. I know we could do it. The next 40 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 8 years.
It's science.
Okay. Jeff Stout, he wants that proto, and he wants it now. He just gifted 5 memberships. It went to Coffee. It went to Nast. It went to Pammy. It went to Kevin. It went to Blue Diamond. Congratulations. Say thank you to Jeff Stout for those custom channel member emojis. And I'll see you all in the next War Room. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional. That's the channel member only live stream here on YouTube. And again, I did drop this prototype in the Big Beautiful Bounty for whoever gets Yukon Cornelia soup. One of a kind. One of a kind. Who's going to get it? That's the question. Thank you, Real Bill, for those jewels. Wow. What a stream, ladies and gentlemen. And the party's not going to end, by the way. At noon, I'm going to be on Ron's basement going absolutely ham. So once you get a breather after this live stream, you eat a snack, relax a little bit, do some chores, then head on over to Ron's basement. We need crustaceans in chat to spread the virus. I will be on there live. It's going to be a fun one. Look at that, guys. Cadence X in chat says that they want to get in the War Room. They need soup. Okay, guys, I forgot to tell you. Commander Craig, when he donated earlier, I forgot to tell you, the 42nd Battle Crab, they are
When
recruiting.
the line breaks, and when the enemy thinks the fight is over, the 42nd answers. We don't hold the line, we are the line. Think you've got the shell for it? Think you can stand when the charts are falling and the ground is shaking? Then the 42nd has a place for you. Join us and become the nightmare the bankers fear most.
Guys, Mike D is in chat, commander of the 160th. He says, why do you wait to do this when I leave on vacation? Guys, we got Mike D, commander of the 160th Battle Crab, Soar in chat. Grab your patch, join the war room. Mike D, we set an all-time record, Mike D. We set an all-time record, Mike D. We're up to 414 gifted memberships. Now, Mike D, Commander Mike D, did you see what I dropped in the big, beautiful bounty that made it go so crazy? Did you see? Let me know, Commander Mike D, if I need to show you or not. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just 8 minutes and 20 seconds away from the stock market opening here. All-time high, we're opening up 230-ish points. Woo. It Fits Magic says Yukon Cornelius stands for your unique karma obtains nutrition with soup. There you go. And Wayne had just gifted 5 memberships. That went to Joseph. It went to Dad. It went to Alan. It went to Chris. It went to Squid. And Chicken Nugget gifted a number 1. It went to Remember BC. And thank you, Wade, for the laughing disco. I hate to say it.
Sir, I want some more.
Here's the soup.
Good soup.
No soup for you.
Commander Mike D, I dropped this in the big, beautiful bounty. It is the prototype stamped 000 for the Battle Crab round I created with Reckless Metals. This is not the variant, but it is a one-of-a-kind 000. Look at that. Only one of these exists in the world, and it is in the big, beautiful bounty. Who's going to claim it is the question. Wow. Woo! Thank you, Wade, again for that laughing disco ball. That thing laughs. We need a crab dance. Let's see 65. Says sight beyond sight. Guys, if we break $63 an ounce while this live stream's still going, I will do a crab dance. I will do a crab dance. You're nuts for giving that away, IS. You truly are the goat, says the Selfish Stacker. Sometimes I just go crazy. Sometimes I just go insane, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Will you be in full crustacean costume in Ron's basement? No, I won't. I won't. I won't. It's just I'm just gonna show this view. I show this view on my on my interviews usually. Yeah. Okay, let's check. We're about 54,500 on the Dow Jones. We're opening up here in 6 minutes. We got Northampton West in chat. Good to see you. Mike D says incredible. Tell people how to turn on their gifting, please. Guys, you have to have gifted membership turned on if you want to win one. Yes, Yukon has it turned on. All you do is you're going to find anywhere in chat where one of this was. You're going to click the 3 things here. You click the 3 dots. And when you click the 3 dots, it will say something about gifting memberships. You have to select yes that you want to receive free memberships. Now, I believe by default it's turned on, but I think some accounts it gets disabled for some reason. So click on the 3 dots and make sure that click on the gifting memberships or gifted or whatever, and make sure you have that turned on. Twisted, I'll see you there. Thank you, Michael, for the Unk alert. Thank you. Wow. Running Stupid, I'm going to be on his channel at 12 noon Eastern. AGOG says, did Ron quit talking about unicorn fart dust? He lost me when he wouldn't shove. Yeah, I think he stopped. I think he stopped talking about his crypto experiment. AGOG 47. Woo. But I'm going to be on there, and it's going to be fun. We're going to be talking about gold and silver. We need the crustaceans to turn up hardcore. We need to build the crustacean nation, ladies and gentlemen, and that's a good place to start. By the way, make sure you're subscribed here. If you think you're subscribed, make sure you're subscribed, because I'm giving away 100 ounces of silver, 169 ounces of copper, and gold soon. But you got to be subscribed for it. That video is going to be coming out on Sunday. You don't want to miss that. So subscribe and turn on those notifications. And guys, we got 700 people watching, 526 likes. That means we're 24 likes away from a 550 like stream. I know we could do it. Smash the like button. The next 24 people to do that are going to get good luck for 700 years.
It's science.
But it's non-transferable, unfortunately. Your moderators are doing a good job today. Thank you, Soup John. Let's shout out to all the moderators in chat, guys. It's not easy. It's not easy. We got Sicilian. We got Mike D. We got Craig. Jeff Stout. We got Northampton West. Who else do we have here? Of course, we got Ralph Ramsey. We got Fingers. I think I saw Shotgun Susie a little bit earlier. Dominator Vaughn. Shout out to all. Shout out to all the moderators. It ain't easy being cheesy. Okay. We are 2 minutes and 45 seconds away from the Dow opening, guys. 54,500. We're literally going to be opening to an all-time high. Okay. So let's close this. Let's go here. Let's do this. Let me get the side screen ready here. This is going to be absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Silver's looking strong going into it. Lee Pierceville says Ron and Susie are good people. Yeah, from Ron's basement. I've had a great interaction with him. I had him on my channel. I'm going to visit his now. I've had a great time with him. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is opening in 1 minute and 45 seconds here. Wow, iFocus is saying platinum's up 9%, palladium's up 8%. Wow. They hit the dynamic circuit breakers. Wow. Let's check real quick. Okay, we're back over 70 in Shanghai. Wow, Shanghai silver price is $70.14. Back over 70 in Shanghai, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a very dramatic open here. I need you all to buckle up. I'm going to be issuing a danger zone alert. Now, guys, we're at exactly 420 memberships gifted. I need somebody to help me. I don't endorse the devil's lettuce. You know, you do you if it's legal in your state. Whatever. I do not endorse the devil's lettuce. I do not partake. And we're sitting on 420 right now. So I need some gifted memberships to change it, please, for the love of God. Not the devil's lettuce.
How dare you?
Okay. Sorry, I just panicked. That was full-blown panic. Okay, 30 seconds away from the Dow Jones opening here. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. Northampton West has 28 claws. Congratulations. 15 seconds. Yes, thank you, Egbert, for giving me that scoop on the White Sox. Here we go. 5 seconds. Thank you, Egbert. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the Dow Jones is opening. Major gap up on Dow Jones. BGC on Dow Jones. Major BGC. All-time high. Li Shize Guardian. 54,463. An all-time high. Brian just gifted 5 memberships. Chicken Nugget just gifted 1. Let's see. Did Yukon get it as we push higher on the Dow Jones, ladies and gentlemen? This is a crazy day. No soup for Khan!
Sir, I want some more.
Taste the soup.
Good soup.
No soup for you.
We're pushing higher on silver, ladies and gentlemen. We're pushing higher on the Shanghai Futures Exchange. We are pushing higher on the Dow Jones. Wyvern just gifted a membership. That went to Danny. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. I need you to officially buckle up right now. Channel members, you know what emoji to drop. We got over 700 people on the stream, 545 likes. That means we're only 55 likes away from a 600 like stream. I know we could do it. The next 55 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 17 months.
It's science.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, what a time to be alive. Should I keep going? Usually I would be stopping. Should I keep going? Let me know in chat right now. A record 427 gifted memberships on this stream. Thank you so much. You are all so mega. Woo! Yeah, we got to let it marinate. We got to let it marinate. Okay, S&P 500's up 53. NASDAQ's up 126. DXY's down 0.18%. Oil is crab walking. Brent's just above 80 again. Wow. Wow. Guys, what a stream. What a stream. Do you remember that one stream was like 6 or 8 hours long? I was just yelling, Li Shi Zhe Guadian over and over and over again. That was an insane stream, guys. That was my record, over 8,000 people on that stream. When I finished that stream, the video already had over 50,000 views. It was crazy. It was crazy. Guys, Variable Trumper is saying we can do 50 gifted memberships, or 500. We're at 429. Variable Trumper saying we could hit 500. Do you guys think? Is it possible? I don't know. Thank you, Jim Reeves, for gifting those memberships. It went to, FG Stacker got one. Jason got one. Oz got one. Mendo got one. Ben got one. Congratulations. Oh my goodness, Joseph gifted another 50. Oh my goodness, get your bulls in the sky. Joseph went insane. Thank you for the Uncle Alert, Unled. Thank you, the House GT, for the head bobbing cat. Another 50 memberships. Chicken Nugget gifted one. Yukon Cornelius, have you gotten soup? I'm looking. Yukon Cornelius, have you gotten soup? Oh my goodness, I can't even see. Master of High Frequency, member for 6 months, Shell Brigade, says Sunday night or morning for Ga. The video will come out like Sunday morning probably, but you're going to have weeks to enter, so don't panic. You'll have weeks to enter. Northampton West Diamond Claws for 9 months. Thank you. Says, well, another month comes and another goes, but I'll never be sublime, says Northampton. There you go. Thank you so much, Northampton, for being a Diamond Claw. Wine Vern gifted a membership. Yukon Cornelius, did you get soup? I'm looking for Yukon. I'm looking for you. No soup for Con!
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
Wow.
Good soup.
No soup for you.
And guys, we're at 489 gifted memberships. This is insane. That means we're only 11 away from 500. Oh my goodness. Variable Stacker, I think you might have been right. Thank you, Gary, for the jewels. Ladies and gentlemen, we're pushing higher on the Dow Jones, 54,561. This is absolutely insane. Kaltenberg, did you get soup yet? Kaltenberg's been saying forever that it's a myth. Did you get it, Kaltenberg? If you guys want me to show you what's in the big, beautiful bounty, if you need to see, let me know. I think most people know, but if you want to review it, put review in chat. Brian here says, with this many new members in the war room, we need to order more chaps and peanut butter. Ah!
How dare you?
Brian, what happens in the war room stays in the war room. What happens in there stays in there. Ah. Woo! Look at this. Okie Sooner says, I woke up this morning and I got a free membership. Thank you to whoever gave it to me. God bless you. Have a great day. Go Silver, go. Congratulations, Okie Sooner. What is the reason for this move, says Retai. It's based on a few things. One, all the news on a peace deal with Iran and all the news that we might have a deal done today. Two, there's been some data coming out that's been slightly bullish for silver. Three, the bullishness of the Dow, just all this stuff coming together is what's creating this massive explosion. So we're going to keep watching, see what we could do. We're going to watch how it unfolds. When I'm done with this live stream, I will be looking deeper to see what else is driving the market. I just can't do that deep analysis right now when I'm live, but there's other things that are happening that I'm not aware of. So if you guys have breaking news that I've missed that would affect the price of gold and silver, make sure to put it in chat. Thank you, Wyvern, for gifting that membership. Wow. Hecla is debt-free. Thank you, Douglas. That is a gold mining company. Cavalier says the miners are booming again today. HYMC and AG both up over 6%. Guys, if you want to see what I invest in now, the majority of my investments are in physical gold and silver. Once I got to a certain point, and I'm not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. Once I got to a certain point, I'm like, well, if I really think gold and silver are going to do what they do, there's going to be some leverage, some upside potential, free leverage, not leveraging myself, not going on margin in the miners. So if you go to my website, internationalstacker.com, you click on resources, scroll down. These are all the mining companies I'm invested in. And Kyle just gifted 10 memberships. Let me look. No soup for Khan!
Sir, I want some more.
We did it! We did
Where's the
it!
soup? Good soup.
No soup for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we hit exactly 500 gifted memberships for the first time ever. Thank you, Ashes, for being a crustacean commander for 2 months. Salute to you. Thank you, Wyvern. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a big show.
Crystal Light National Aerobic
Four
Championship
time.
featuring regional finalists from all
Four
across the United
time.
States competing for the title of America's
Four
best
time.
aerobic athlete. Presenting the reigning
Thank you so
1987
much.
Crystal Light National Aerobic Champions.
Introducing the four-time Crystal Light champion, International Stacker. Four-time. Wow. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And Egbert Boot Whistle says we're also bailing out the yen and giving the Bank of Japan access to the Fed repo market. That is true. I believe we gave them a swap line. So, yeah, we're basically giving them the cash for the treasuries without them selling it. You're right. Thank you for that. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a wild stream. So, oh, yeah. So these are the companies I'm invested in. Let's see what they're doing. AmeriCorps up 3%. First Majestic's up 5%. Argenta's up 1%. Avino's up 6.8%. CDE's up 4.1%. EXK up 7.7%. Fortuna up 4.3%. GDTRF up 3.6%. GLDE 1.8%. GROE 3.4%. HL 6.65%. 8%. Wow. For HYMC. KNRG is down 10%. What happened there? I don't know. That's a gamble when I'm messing around with. 2% here with Pan American. SILJ's up 5%. UEC's a uranium play up 5.3%. UROY's a uranium play down 1.47%. USGO I think is a copper play up 2%. UUUFD's not on there. And SILJY's up 3.67%. Wow. Thank you for the Uncle Alert, Becky. I do appreciate that. That is mega. 24 minutes ago, Israel begins Lebanon strikes over Hezbollah ceasefire. Thank you for that, Ralph. I missed that. Thank you. Mark Medwell says, to the moon. See if we can see that dent SpaceX left. Do you guys want to take a trip to the moon right now? Who got the 500th membership? Well, let's see. I can tell you who got the 500 membership. I can actually tell you that. Let me look. Hold up. Let me look. Emerald City. Knock out Rat. Oh, Rat Stacker would love that name. Knockout Rat got the 500 gifted membership on the stream. Knockout Rat. Wow. Okay, you guys want to take a trip? We're going to the moon.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.
Wow. And ladies and gentlemen, we're up to 54,606 on the Dow Jones. We are ripping higher. Silver on the COMEX is up to $62,000. $62.10. 62,000. Who just had a heart attack? Gold to silver ratio is down to 67.64 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. And in Shanghai, we're at $70.02. Wow. Could you imagine if silver was 62,000? That'd be absolutely insane. Oh, did I miss something? No. Okay, I think we're good. 501 gifted memberships. Thank you so much, guys. You're all mega. Wow. Look at that, guys. Rick Harrison. Soup Rick in chat says, thanks for the membership, whoever did it. Rick Harrison got soup again, ladies and gentlemen. Yukon Cornelius is starving. Rick Harrison literally got soup again. That is mega. Victor said if it was 62,000, I'd sell my paper silver immediately. Oh, yeah. Big time. All right, I'm going to check how big the portfolio is up today. Let me look. Uno momento. So the mining stock portfolio today is up 3.83% collectively. We'll take it. We'll take it. Maybe big money's pricing in a rate cut. They could be. They very well could be. A lot of tea leaves are starting to fall to support rate cuts. And by the way, I've been yelling rate cuts are coming since Warsh was named. Not even before he was put in, when he was named. That could be it. That could be it, Raytai. Soup John saying, after today, you need to update your crustacean lore. I know. Let me write that down. Soup lore. Okay, I wrote it down. Hopefully I don't forget. Soup Dom is saying, lots of lore work today. We need time. We need to let him go do it. So, Raytai says, for each 10% in gold, I will go up 12,000 USD, but I'm down 30K USD so far. It's okay, Raytai. Diamond claws, baby.
Diamond claws.
You got this. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. The road's going to be long, dark, and full of terrors, guys. We're going to have euphoric rises. We're going to get smashed down. But I believe those with the intestinal fortitude to see the way through, those that are unshaken, will be dancing with me in the streets. Egbert Bootwhistle says, ordered 101 10th Indian Eagle coins from Hero. Nice! I'm worried if silver goes to the moon, they will be much easier to use. Yeah, they will be, for sure. Toronto Open today says, Calistop. I've never done the Toronto Open. I don't even know if I have a Toronto market on my website. Let's see. Did I pick? We got New York, India. I don't even know. New York, India, Tokyo, London, Shanghai, Sydney, Zurich, Hong Kong, Dubai. I put like the main ones. The big La Bambas I put on here. Ladies and gentlemen, Lewis Brown in chat has become a Clawionaire today. Can we get a congratulations in chat for Lewis? Officially now a Clawionaire. Steely the Stacker saying, I bought the dip 3 days ago. Good thing you did. Victor here says, I predict a rate cut in September. What are we in right now? June, July? We're in August. So next month. I predict a rate cut in September so the effect can marinate by the time midterms arrive. If done too late, people won't feel the effect enough to influence their votes. Oh, interesting geopolitical thought process there. Thank you, Victor. That's interesting. Could be. I do believe they're coming. I'm on record. And I've been criticized for it. Head exploded from Art Sells. Thank you. Tur says, where exactly is this massive vault of gold that countries like China are buying from? Where is the... They are buying it direct from refiners as the gold and silver, I'll fix it, bars, they stack, have certain chain of custody and specifications it must meet. Just say and. They are buying direct from refiners as the gold and silver bars they stack have certain chain of custody specifications it must meet. There you go. Okay, let's go back here. Thank you for the jewels. Who just gifted jewels? I heard it. Someone did. Thank you. Okay, here's top overnight news from Zero Hedge. Iran, U.S. Preparing to announce a 60-day agreement on shipping today. So that's moving it. Trump's administration paid about $100 billion in tariff refunds. Okay. White House is excluding open models from its framework to test open AI capabilities. China's services activity expanded. Shares advanced. China tightened its export controls on drones. UK firms continue to cut jobs in July. Kansas City Fed president said, yeah, and I did a report on that. He said inflation was coming down. That's a big deal. He's really well respected. That could be moving it. Okay. Thank you for the dancing watermelon, John. Golden Nad says fingers. I'm not sure what Golden Nads is. Northampton West says, is Streamlabs drunk? Every gamble has been winning. Guarantee if I play big. Go big! Northampton, I'll do it with you. Let's do a gamble all. I'll do it with you, Northampton. Thank you for the jewels. I lost. I'm down to 97,000 claws. Gah!
How dare you?
Guys, we are 14 likes from a 600 like stream. Can we do it? The next 14 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 17 months.
It's science.
Woo! Guys, I cannot believe we have 501 members today. That is insane. Thank you so much for the support. Variable Trumper says next goal is 550. Guys, do you accept Variable Trumper's goal there? Is it possible? I don't know. Let's show you guys what's in this. Whoever gets Yukon Cornelius soup, let's show you. You're going to be getting this one 10th ounce gold coin. I believe it's 2023. It's the year of the rabbit, I believe. That's from the Australian Mint, Perth Mint. You're going to be getting this 1.4 troy ounce number 27 cork top. Those are limited SGT stacking poured. That commemorates when silver broke 100 the first time. You're going to be getting this. This is a pretty rare vintage bar. It's colonial silver. It's actually minted by Engelhard, so that's pretty dang cool. You're going to be getting this Leopold 1 coin from 1670 that I bought at a coin show in Prague. You're going to be getting that silver. You're going to be getting this one of a kind. The Battle Crab Rolo. It's the prototype. Look at the number on there. 000 from Reckless Metals. That thing, this might go for $1,000. I don't know. You're going to get two non-silver coins, but they're cool because they got crabs on them. And you're going to get this cool copper alien round. You see there? And you get a silver-plated soup ladle that has IS stamped on the back. Who's going to claim that triple B, that big, beautiful bounty? Oh, my goodness! Just gifted 20 memberships. I'm looking. And Regatta Media just gifted 5. I'm looking. Did you get soup? Oh my gosh, did he get soup? Did he get... No soup for Khan!
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John! Here's the soup.
Good soup.
No soup for you.
Wow. And West Texas just found out a great deal. Hero Bullion Valcambi 5 1 ounce gram coin Or excuse me, gold combi bar. Wow, those things are beautiful. I am giving away a combi bar on this giveaway on the Mega God coming out soon. Bullion Brent is here saying, run those likes up. Bullion Brent wants his silver and he wants it now.
It's my silver and I want it now.
It's my silver and I want it now.
My silver and I want it now.
Okay. What a stream, ladies and gentlemen. What an absolute crazy stream. Oh my goodness. Should I stop? Should I keep going? What do you guys think? Let me know in chat. We're at 526 gifted memberships. Thank you so much. Wow. Variable Trumpers goal is 550. That's insane. I don't know if we can hit that. That's crazy. Look at this. This is the Dow Jones. This is looking like the Loch Ness Monster literally poking her head above the water. Gold to silver ratio sitting at 67.65 to 1. Let's check out gold right now. Check it out here. Thank you for the jewels to, who was that? Lenu, thank you. Keep the good times rolling because that's GT. Bullion Brent says, keep going. I just woke up. And what's it to you? Just gifted a membership. That went to Ellie. Congratulations, Ellie or Eli. I think that's Eli. Congratulations, Eli. Gold is sitting at 4,191.26, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Will we hit 62? We did hit 62. We hit 62.52 earlier while you were asleep, Bullion Brent. We're at 61.99, so we just hit 62 again. We just hit 62 again. Now, Shanghai, we're at 70.14. $70.14 was the high. We're at 69.92 there. Who is qualified and what do you have to do to win the soup? So, Okie Sooner, anyone who's subscribed can win a gifted membership. YouTube automatically gives it to them. So all you have to do is be a subscriber and you can win gifted soup like you did. Now to win the bounty that I just showed a little bit ago, you have to you have to be the one that gifts the soup. That goes to whoever's on the soup pedestal, which right now that's Yukon Cornelius. Yukon Cornelius emailed me, by the way, Yukon. I want to send you a no soup for John shirt and a few other things, Yukon Cornelius. So please email me so I could do that for you. Soup John here says, I want that bounty. It would make my mouth. He said, I want that bounty. It would make my mouth what? Is this Mad Libs, guys? It would make my mouth water? I don't know. Soup John just took a stab at it, gifted a membership, and that went to Lenu. Didn't Lenu just... Hold up. I thought I just saw Lenu chat. Well, congratulations. You got soup. Check out your custom channel member emojis. Say thank you to Soup John. And thank you, Rye Wee, for gifting those jewels, and Stilly the Stacker. Master Blaster gifted a membership. That went to Mr. Luigi of the Hood. Congratulations. Guys, we are at 529 gifted memberships. We're only 21 away from Soup John's goal. Yukon Cornelius saying, that's right, say my name. That's funny. Show us gold and silver you just bought. I haven't bought anything for about a week. 6 days. 6 days. Going to need to rent a new ballroom for our next war room, says Soup on. I know. Oh, someone's trying to duel me. I'll accept it. CIO Trib gifts the membership. Now, guys, CIO Trib and Sage Flybaby together found the hidden hoard in Orlando, Florida. And once Yukon Cornelius gets soup, and thank you for gifting that CIO Trib, that went to DH 2025. Once Yukon Cornelius gets soup, the next crustacean on the soup pedestal is going to be Sage Flybaby. Can we see Sage in chat? Put Sage in chat if you're ready for that. I feel like soup for Yukon might be imminent here. Stilly the Sacker was get the jewels. Thank you. Man, who is going to get this bounty? The bounty just keeps getting bigger and beautifuler as we go. Stilly the Sacker, thank you for the golden poop there. Okay. We did it. We broke 600 likes. Thank you so much. We're at 613 likes, which means we're only, what is that? 37. We're 37 likes from 650. I know we could do it. Keep smashing it. Check the day when you can. Check the DXY. Okay. Thank you, Midnight Matt, by the way, for being a crustacean commander for 2 months. You, sir, are getting my salute. He wants to check the DXY. We'll do it. The DXY did have downward pressure about 7 a.m. And it's been gradually trending up, but crab walking. Okay, we just broke higher. We just broke higher in Shanghai. Shanghai just hit $70.24. Here we go. Are we getting ready for another run here? I think we're getting ready for another run here. I need everybody to buckle up. Channel members, you know what emoji to drop right now? Buckle up. We're preparing for another run higher to make a new trading session high on silver and gold. It's unfolding right before our very eyes. And I've got to pee like a racehorse. Ah! We've been going for 2 hours and 11 minutes. I've got to do a raptor run. I've got to do a raptor run. I'm going to wash my hands. I need somebody to time me, just like the old days when we were going a long time. I need somebody to time me. I'm about to do a raptor run. How I do it is I literally lean my center of gravity forward. I regress my hands up, kind of like T-Rex hands. I roll my body, my weight onto the balls of my feet. And I literally trot across the house to make record time. I will be right back. I'm going to hit the restroom. I need you guys to time me. I'll be back. Time me in 3, 2, 1. What's my time? I'm back. What's my time? I'm back. What's my time? Okay, what did I miss? I missed something here. Thank you to the Regatta for gifting a membership. That went to Amron. That was not 4 minutes and 27 seconds. Ah! Dropping the mic says 1 minute and 7 seconds. I am out of practice, guys. I've not raptor run for so long. Because I used to do 3-4 hour streams all the time when the market was moving. I have not raptor run for so long. I missed my target of 1 minute or less by 7 seconds. Yeah. Thank you for all the jewels. And what's it to you gifted a membership? Thank you so much. Who did that go to? Oh. Whew. Will you drop the hammer if we hit 700? What do you mean, Drano? Drop the hammer? Oh, drop the crab hammer? If we hit... Okay. I'll make you guys a deal. We are at 533 gifted memberships. If we were to hit 700, which is over like 167 from here, I will drop my crab hammer in there. I only have one. I will drop my crab hammer in there if we hit that. I doubt we'll hit it, which is why I'm willing to make this wager because I love this puppy. But if we break 700 gifted membership, I will drop my crab hammer in the big, beautiful bounty. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Guitar Stuff says, did you miss the target? I did not. I hit it. I'm an excellent shot. Drop the 10-ounce Loki already, says Sean Leslie. No. Did you miss your target? No. Drop it and we will go over 700, says Dom. Should I? Guys, I'm feeling wild. I am feeling wild. Should I drop it? Should I drop my only crab hammer? Should I drop it? My hand's shaking. My hand refuses to release it. Oh my goodness! I've gone crazy! I've gone crazy, ladies and gentlemen. I've got absolutely insane as silver's building back up here. 62.40. How high are we going to go today? Ladies and gentlemen, I've gone absolutely insane. My only crammer is in there. I can't believe I just did that. Oh my goodness. I must be drunk. I must be drunk off soup right now. I must be soup drunk. It's kind of like snow blindness. Oh my goodness. Gold to silver ratio is down to 67.41 ounces of silver to every 1 ounce of gold. We're going higher here. We're going higher here in Shanghai. We just hit $70.36 in Shanghai. Regata gifted 5 memberships. Dom just gifted 5. Brian just gifted 10. We're watching. Steely just gifted 1. Con, did you get soup? Con, did you get soup? John just gifted a membership. I gotta watch. I'm watching. Did Con? Brian Irish Stacker just gifted 5. Oh my goodness, it's blowing up. Oh my goodness, we're at 560. Oh my goodness, fingers, another 5. Another 5 from Lauren. Con, did you get soup? I can't see you. Con, did you get soup? Did you get soup? I'm looking. Con, did you get soup? I need a report stat. Con, did you get soup? I need a report stat as silver's pushing higher here. Con, did you get it? No soup for Con!
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John. Here's the soup.
Good soup.
No soup for you.
Brian Irish with another 5. Oh my goodness. Hey, Attorney Mike got soup. Nice. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much. You're the YouTube crab Kramer, says that guy Brooke. That's funny. We're up to 576 soups given. Dom with another one. That went to Jay. Guys, I have seen the soup Big Beautiful Bounty claimed by just 1 gifted membership. Roadkill gifted 1. Wow. Does your viewership and membership fluctuate with the price of silver? It does, Victor. It really does. Northampton West comes in with 5. Thank you, Northampton West. I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for you.
Oh my goodness, Kyle with 10. Irish with another 1. Coining around got it. Nice. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. This is absolutely insane. Amina with 10. Guys, this is going insane. This is going insane. Oh my goodness. Variable with 5, just out with 20. Yukon Cornelius, did you get soup? Yukon Cornelius, report in. Yukon Cornelius, did you get soup? I'm looking. It's so hard to see. It's going absolutely insane. No soup for Con!
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, this is crazy. This is absolutely insane. Thank you, that guy Brooke, for the flow state, Jules. Oh my goodness. Guys, we're at 628 gifted memberships. Drano says that crab hammer, the crammer, is priceless. What are the odds if I'll get soup, says Freeman Fly. Just hang out, Freeman. Hold your bowl in the sky. You never know if you'll get it. Tracy Smith is in chat. And Tracy needs soup, guys. Asking for it, please. Look at that. Oh, we're breaking out. We're breaking out. We're breaking out. We're breaking out. I missed it. We just took out our next target in silver. 62.63 on silver. Gold just broke our next target. 4,220 on gold. Gold to silver ratio down to 67.4. Shanghai's pushing higher, ladies and gentlemen. $70.60. Oh my gosh, so much just happened. Okay. SGT Stacking says, that is incredible, people. I told IS no more crustacean war hammers would ever be made again. And knowing that, he still dropped it. He is mega. Whoa! Spiky Mikey gifted a membership. Dom gifted one. Sean Leslie gifted one. Colin Gerard gifted 5 memberships. SDCC Crashers in the house. Good to see you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at 636 gifted memberships. And I hate to say it.
Sir, I want some more.
no soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Wow. Wow. Guys, okay, I just thought of the funniest April Fool's joke. I always try to do a good one on you guys everywhere. I just came up with a good one. Should I tell you guys or will it ruin it? I won't ruin it. Maybe I'll save that for the next war room. I just came up with a funny idea for the next April 1st. Tracy does need soup, Del. Tracy needs soup. Dom just gifted a membership. That went to Robert. Thank you so much. Thank you. Guys, we're up to 637 gifted soups. Oh my goodness. What's going on with the prices? Gold and silver bull shark. A few things are happening, ladies and gentlemen. First out, all the news on possible peace today with Iran is making it go crazy. Secondly, we had some mildly bullish reports earlier that I reported on yesterday, the day before, that helped. Also, too, the Fed, one of the president of the Fed, not in New York, I forget where. Not Massachusetts. What's his name? I don't know. I forget his name off the top of my head. But he came out and said he thinks we're moving down to 2% inflation, so that was extremely bullish. We just took out another target here. Also, there's some reports coming out today. We just hit $62.71 silver on the COMEX. We just hit 4,227 gold. We're raging higher in Shanghai, $70.72, ladies and gentlemen. All I can say is buckle up. Okay, I'm looking. Coffee Time gifted a membership. That went to Savage Stacker. Nice. Yukon Cornelius, please report in. HYMC's up over 11%. Thank you, Cavalier. I'm on with Ron at noon. I'm on with Ron at 12 p.m. Eastern today. So it's a little less than 2 hours from now, like an hour and 50 minutes. Thank you, Dom, for gifting that soup. Thank you, Colin Gerard. Guys, we are up to 639 gifted memberships, and Mark Richard just got one. Check out your new emojis. Dropping the mic says, people don't buy sub enough. Don't buy silver sub 60 enough. It has to go up. Opposite of when you buy the price in the drops. Victor here says the yen bailout. Yeah, that's another one. The yen bailout, basically, guys, the yen bailout is basically quantitative easing. We're basically seeing quantitative easing. If you guys want me to explain that more at the end, put explain more in chat. Oops, I deleted the wrong one. We just took out, ladies and gentlemen, another key level here, 62.73 on silver. Brian Irish Stacker just gifted a membership. SGT just gifted one. Those went to David and Deathchild. What a name. Thank you for the soup. I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
We're pushing higher, guys. We're pushing higher on silver. Buckle up. Buckle up. We just hit 62.78. Our next target, 63 here. Rooster just gifted a membership. That went to Hood Canal Dude. Hood Canal Dude, congratulations. Guys, we are running here. We're running. I'll check out our next target on gold. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. Shanghai, we just went higher as well on silver. 70.81. We're going to 71 in Shanghai. Okay, you want the Unix? Yeah, I got it. I got it right here. I got it right here. Brian just gifted another 5 memberships. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. Let me look at, I'm looking. Nope. No Super Con yet. Okay. Let me break down for you guys what's happening. First off, remember today at 10 a.m. ISM, can anyone tell me what the ISM PMI data was at 10 a.m.? That could be causing this as well. That could be contributing it. Somebody look at ISM services PMI and let me know what that came out at. But here it is right here, ladies and gentlemen. Did the U.S. just launch quantitative easing without calling it QE? Treasury Secretary Scott Bassett says the U.S. has been working closely with Japan as Tokyo takes steps to strengthen the yen. Why this matters? If Japan defends the yen without dumping large amounts of U.S. treasuries. Remember, they hold like 1.2, 1.3 trillion with a T in U.S. treasuries. And dollar liquidity is provided through official mechanisms such as swap lines or other policy tools. The market impact could resemble some of the effects of investors associate with QE, quantitative easing, even if it isn't technically quantitative easing. That's because it could help ease the pressure, ladies and gentlemen, in treasury markets while supporting financial stability. QE, what is it? Quantitative easing, ladies and gentlemen, when a central bank creates new money to buy government bonds and other assets, injecting liquidity into the financial system. That's what it is. For gold and silver stackers, liquidity matters. Historically, periods of expanding dollar liquidity, we're seeing that now, have often been supportive for hard assets, but the details and policy tools matter. Ladies and gentlemen, as they print our dollar into oblivion, it's being eaten up. Okay. So there we go. I hope that helps. Hold up, hold up. Okay. Guys, make sure you subscribe to all those notification bells. I'm giving away over 100 ounces of silver soon, 169 ounces of copper and gold. And Colin Gerard gifted a membership. It went to Super Silvers. Congratulations. They sold euros to buy yen. Yeah, that's the first thing they did, Red Tie. But now what they're doing is they're opening what's called a swap line, which is basically a blank check for Japan to use U.S. dollars as liquidity. And that props up the bond market so they don't sell off U.S. treasuries. So essentially, it's quantitative easing. And Jim Reed just gifted 5 memberships. Those went to Lezek, Oceanic Sensor. It went to Helton. It went to Brady. It went to Chris. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Guys, we are up to 653 gifted memberships. Only 7 more gifted memberships gets us to 660, and that triggers the next No Soup for Con song. Sounds like you need a cup of tea with honey. Yeah, I do need a cup of tea with honey for sure. I've been screaming all morning. We've been going for 2 hours and 30 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Are you done? Are you finished? Are you Elfine, or do you want more? If you want to keep going, we're only 39 likes away from a 700 like stream. I know we could do that. Keep smashing it up. The next 39 people to smash like, we'll get good luck for 17 months.
It's science.
Guys, you need to protect yourself. You need to protect yourself. It's cheaper than an ounce of silver. You need to protect yourself. You need to do it
Fakes are
now.
getting so bad. Can you tell me which one of these Morgan silver dollars is fake? Which of these Mercury dimes is real and fake? Is this slabbed American silver eagle real? Look at this 90% Milwaukee Liberty. Ladies and gentlemen, all of those coins except this one, plated in gold, were fake. Either you can spend $3,500 plus on a Sigma Metalytics Verifier Pro, or you can invest in something that one of the crustacean nation created. It is the Pocket Pinger by Sound Money. Passed. That was the real one. Failed. That Walking Liberty. Failed. Ladies and gentlemen, it's only $38. Link is in the description below. You get the Pocket Pinger, you get the stick, you get access to the free phone application. It's literal science. $38 can protect you from a fake silver coin, a fake gold coin, even fake silver bars, and 90%. And it helps support the channel too, so thank you so much. Click the link below. I believe it's mandatory for all stackers, and it's only $38. Protect your stack now.
Okay, guys, remind me in 5 minutes. I just Raptor ran. I just turned on the kettle for hot tea for my voice. So remind me in 5 minutes to grab it, please. You've been screaming. Has anyone banged on the walls? No, because luckily I'm in a standalone structure, not in the hotel anymore. Master Blaster says, if you send Dom the chaps, I will make a $200 super chat. No, Master Blaster. I have plans for those chaps. Ralph Ramsey says, the services PMI registered 54.1%. 25th consecutive month in expansion territory. Thank you for that. So let's look at that. Let's read the tea leaf on that here. Hold up. We need to go here. Check out, guys, if you're not checking out internationalstacker.com, you need to be. Let's go here to the weekly watchouts. So let's see where we wanted to be here. Okay. So the data that's coming out today, we're Wednesday. Here we go. The ISM Services PMI. The services sector accounts for the largest share of the U.S. economy, making this one of the week's most important reports for gold and silver and the Federal Reserve expectations. I'll be watching headline service, so all those things. Here we go. Bullish for silver. Weaker than expected services PMI. That's cooling prices paid. Treasury yields move lower. U.S. dollar weakens. Markets increase expectations for future Fed rate cut. Strong services PMI would have the opposite. So it came in at 51.4% in expansion territory. Okay. We're going to keep watching that, see how it affects it. But the next thing coming up today at 4 p.m. is going to be Fed Reserve Governor Lisa D. Cook is going to be speaking. We'll see what she says. I missed. Okay. Iggy Snob gifted 5 memberships. No. Okay, I'm going to our correspondent in the field to see if Khan got sued.
Hey, Cargo Bob, we're downtown Key West right now. You want to go get some soup?
No soup for John.
No soup.
SGT says, if you send the chaps to Master Blaster, I will give you a $200 violation ticket. Yukon says, I need to run. Thank you, everyone. Taylor tried to give me soup. Guys, thank you, Con. Thank you, Yukon Cornelius. Just because he's gone doesn't mean he can't get soup. So he may come back to his computer later with soup. So just because he's leaving doesn't mean he can't get it. And doesn't mean you can't claim that crab hammer and that 1 of 1 000 proto battle crab. Wow. What a stream, guys. We've had 658 gifted memberships. Roadkill just gifted a membership. That went to Ed YB. Congratulations, Ed. Do you guys remember Mr. Ed? I just thought of the horse that would like talk. Mr. Ed. Hey, Soul Keeper. Good to see you. Soul Keeper says they want crab suit. F, I want that, says Dom. What are you talking about, Dom? The Crammer? The variant or the chaps? SGT saying he'll probably get soup once he's gone. Yeah, that's usually how it happens. Okay, silver here, 62.60 on COMEX. Gold, we just took out a new trading session high. 4,239.27. Gold to silver ratio sitting at 67.64. We're at $70.55 in China. Dominator Vaughn says, I'm leveraged buying soup. Who is leveraged in their soup buying? Let me know if you've taken out leverage to buy the soup. Who wants that triple B, ladies and gentlemen? The big, beautiful bounty. And we are just, you're not going to believe it, we are 11 likes away from a 700 like stream. I know we could do it. Smash that like button, guys. The next 11 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 7 months.
It's science.
And keep subscribing, ladies and gentlemen. If you think you're subscribed, make sure you're subscribed, because I'm giving away over 100 ounces of silver, 169 ounces of copper, and some gold in the not-too-distant future. The video for that is coming out Sunday, so don't panic. You'll have weeks to enter. The video on how to do all that is coming out Sunday. Golden Silver Shark, Bull Shark is saying, it's an amazing stream. I'm going to have to rewatch it later. Yeah, this is a crazy stream. I wonder if my tea is done. The winner will be happier than Viola in the war room. Oh, in a room full of slot machines, says Spiky Mikey. Wow. You make me want to sneak back onto YouTube. I'm banned, says Freeman Fly. Just start another one. All right, I'm going to go grab my tea. I'll be right back. I'm going to grab my tea. Don't go anywhere, ladies and gentlemen. I will be right back. As a matter of fact, I think I can... Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm back. What did I miss? Did I miss anything crazy? Did I miss anything crazy? Okay, I don't think I missed anything crazy. No, we're good. We're good. I'm back. Guys, we're 4 likes away from 700 likes. We're 40 gifted members away from 700. Oh my goodness. That is insane. I'll take a sip of this tea. Woo! What a wild stream, ladies and gentlemen. Stan L saying this has been one of the most epic streams. Stan L got soup. Silverpug says, I need to paint my face. If I get chaps, I'll paint it immediately. Whoa. Variable Trumper says 700 gifted memberships is the new goal. Guys, is Variable Trumper on point? Is he absolutely cuckoo? Let me know right now in chat. Do you think we can hit 700 gifted memberships? That's 40 away. I don't know. Can we? Soup Dom says, one of the best streams in a long time. I'm happy we're back. We're back, baby. Mark Medwell says, we're going to get a surge of John Ages. John Ages on YouTube now that the price has gone up. Guys, Joseph just gifted 20 more memberships. Joseph has gifted over 170 memberships so far on the stream. Let's see, did Yukon Cornelius get soup? I'm going to have to look. Guys, I was screaming earlier. I blew my voice out. I blew it out. Ladies and gentlemen, I hate to say it.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Ah.
Wow. We're 20 away from 700. This is insane. Oh my goodness. Wow. I think we definitely unlocked an emoji. Let me look. I think it's safe to say we unlocked an emoji. Let me look. Okay, hold up. I gotta refresh the page. Hold up. Refresh. Let me look here. Oh yeah, we unlocked one. I'm just gonna put a random emoji in there. I just gotta put something random in there. 1 second. Desktop. I gotta put something in it quick, or we can lose it if I lose some peeps. I'm going to put Baby Yoda back in there with the soup to hold it for now. Save and publish. Okay, I saved it. If you guys refresh, you should have the Baby Yoda now with the soup. Okay, people just went crazy. Amina just gifted 20. Derek One Claw just gifted 1. I'm looking. SGT just gifted 5. Thank you. Did he get soup? Did he get soup? I'm looking. Did he get soup? I'm looking. Did he get soup? Oh my gosh, guys. I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
Guys, we did it. We hit 706 gifted memberships. Before this, our most was 364. We have, is it double? Hold up. 364 times 2, that's 600. That's 708. Is my math right? 364 times 2, 600, 700. No, 64. 700, 10, 28. 728 would be double. 728 would be double. We're at 706. Guys, you are crazy. Thank you so much. Should we really spice up this big, beautiful No, I'm kidding. 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 I'm not doing... No. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. You're all mega. Thank you so much. This is my full-time job. Thank you, guys. Woo, thank you. Stan L says, I've been very fortunate to get soup on a regular basis. I received my Hero Bullion starter pack last week as well. Congratulations, Stan. That's amazing. No, I'm not dropping my 100 ouncer. No way. No way, no way, no way. That's too crazy. That guy Brooks saying, how has Khan not gotten soup yet? Every time this happens, literally, it turns into a conspiracy. Like, listen, here's when John got soup. Listen to what I screamed. Roadkill just gifted a membership. Oh my gosh! John got soup! John got soup! John got soup! Oh my gosh! John got soup! It's not a conspiracy! I literally yelled, it's not a conspiracy. Because people were saying it's a conspiracy. Then Rick and then Dom. Now Khan. You sacrificed your hammer to the gods, and they gave you what you asked. That is true, AGOG. We broke 700. I don't know. Will we ever have a stream like this again, guys, where we can break 700? I don't know if it's possible. This is like a once in a lifetime thing we're having happen right now. Colin Gerard gifted a membership that went to Mouse Lord. Wow. Rat Stacker would love that name. Although she likes and stacks rats, she is partial to mice as well. Douglas saying, what percentage has soup already? Of the 69,000 subscribers, I believe we're over 4,000 channel members now. Regat to get to the membership that went to Chris. It sounds like a lot, but it's got to be better odds than a casino because we've hit the jackpot 3 times now. Guitar Stuff just gifted a membership. Thank you so much. Actually gifted 5 memberships. I will be. Yeah, I will be on Ron's basement at 12 noon. It's an hour and a half from now, 12 noon Eastern. Brian Irishtacker says records are meant to be broken. Guys, we're at 713 channel members. That means we're only like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We're only 15 gifted members away from doubling our previous all-time high of 364, which would be 728. That's crazy. David said there's always tomorrow. Dom says drop the 100 and I can guarantee we will break a record. Dude, no way. That 100-ounce bar is worth like $7,000. Can't do that. That'd be just too wild. Iggy just gifted 5 memberships. Guys, Silver Serpent was going to be in line to get soup. No soup for Serp. But then he got soup the very night we were talking about it. Thank you, Iggy. Guys, I truly hate to say it.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Okay, guys, Brian Irish Tracker tweeted this at me. Look at this. Brought back the Raptor Run live. Look it. Here it is. 1 minute, 12.69 seconds. I got to get my groove back, guys. I got to get back under. Thank you, Brian, for putting out the stream. Look at this PM bug, CME. Oh, it got egged. Oh, no, it didn't. See, oh, it's got a guy beating a guy with I just missed that. I just looked over like that. That's funny. Let's go back here. Bruins Bane just gifted another 5. Guys, we're close. 8, 7, 6, 5, 6, 7. We're 5. We're 5 gifted memberships away from 728, which would be doubling our previous all-time high. Wow. What do you think, Variable Trumper? You've been right every time. Are we done? Are we over? Are we Elfine? Please report in from the field, a Variable Trumper. Woo. Man, I just nearly burnt my fingerprints off. I lifted up my mug, not by the handle, and I nearly burnt off my fingerprints. So far, silver's up 4.75% on the trading session that started last night. Okay, gold, we just took out our next high. We just took out our next target. We just took out our next target of 4,242. That's our new trading session high. Our next target is 2,251.22. Thank you, Joseph, for gifting another 5 memberships. Charles, Peter, Jake, Moore, Julie. Oh my goodness. And Dave gifted one. That went to Kyle. Literally Jake from State Farm. Was that Jake from State? Guys, literally Jake from State Farm got soup, but not con.
Sir, I want some more.
no soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
And we are at 729 gifted memberships. Thank you so much. That's one above. So we're more than double the previous all-time high. I'm going to have to update this page later because our previous all-time high here on internationalstacker.com, you go to memes and channel lore. Go down here to the soup. Our previous all-time high was 364. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you, Stilly the Stacker and SGT for the golden poop. 28 Baby Shark says, tell me about Jake from State Farm. I haven't seen those commercials much lately. Didn't he go to prison? I know Jared from Jared from Subway, I think, went to prison. Did Jake from State Farm go to prison allegedly? I don't remember. Yes, Running Stupid. He does have his membership allowed turned on. We go through this with everybody. We confirm it. But people always think it's a conspiracy until the day that they get soup. And then it ain't, ladies and gentlemen. Keep smashing that like button, guys. We are only 23 away from 750 likes. I know we could do that. The next 23 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 7 years.
It's science.
Not many bowls left empty today. Okay, if you're in chat and your bowl is empty, you need soup, put I need soup in chat. Let's see. Let's see how many people are actually soupless in chat. Does everyone in chat have soup? That'd be wild. Dom says, never seen such a generous channel. I know. The crustacean nation is a mega for sure. SGT, you don't need soup. You got the crab with the crown on it. Freeman Fly says, would you believe I had the very first show on YouTube? That sounds crazy. It's amazing if it's true. I might believe it. Microwave here gifted Jules. Thank you. Mr. JMS says, can you hear it in his voice? IS will miss his crammer. Yeah, I will miss that crammer. But one of you guys got to win it first. Until one of you win it, I still got this crammer in my grasp. It's the prototype. Stamp P. Look at that. One of a kind. Prototyped crammer. One of a kind. I'm going to miss you, little buddy. You'll see me at the end of the longest line for soup, says Gold and Silver Bull Shark. There you go. All right, we're waiting here to see what's going to happen, ladies and gentlemen. We've had a massive day in gold and silver. We're up 4.66 on the COMEX silver. Gold, we're also up on the COMEX 3.78%, which means that gold to silver ratio is going to continue to plummet. We had a recent rise just because what's happening right now, but 67.93 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. Shanghai still above $70 an ounce. It's at 70.27 right now for silver. I might have to bribe whoever wins that Rolo, says SGT. It could be you, SGT. You could win it. Thank you for the jewels, F. Dave. We are just 22 likes away from a 750 like stream. I know we could do it. Keep smashing it. Woo! Are we done, guys? Is the stream done? Are we done at 729 all-time high? Are we done? Can I take a rest? Or does one of you have something up your sleeve? Let me know right now. Woo! I've been going for 2 hours and 52 minutes like the old days. Look at that, guys. Unleaded chat. Unleaded needs soup. Are we done? Are we over? Are we Elfine? Is it it? Now, I want to ask you guys, do you want the stream at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight or 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight? 8:30 might be better for the Shanghai Open. I think I might do that. What do you guys think? SGC says, no, I can't compete against I baiting Tom. Empty soup cans everywhere, says Regatta. Yeah, I'm going to be on Ron's basement here in about an hour and 22 minutes. Okay, Brian just gifted a membership. He's trying to claim the crammer last minute here. We're up to 730 gifted memberships. Thank you so much. I am going to be live tonight at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the Shanghai Futures Exchange Market Open. I'll be recapping what happened all day with gold and silver. Thank you, Soup John, for getting that membership. It went to Fluffy Mania. I've got about 4 more minutes left in me here that I'm going to run. But we got 4 more minutes to run it up. We're 29 soups away from 750. Can we end on that number? I don't know. If we end on that number, I'm going to end it with a big show. But I will be live again tonight, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to be live on Ron's basement here. When I end the stream, it should take you automatically to that, so you could like it, click notify me. When that's going, we need crabs in the chat the whole time. Soup John saying,
what the hell?
Soup John. And then, of course, tomorrow morning I'll be live as normal at 7:45 a.m. Eastern. Was this a fun stream, guys? 3 hours. 3 hours. Imagine Dragons. Yes, you got soup. Guys, look at Imagine Dragons in chat. Got soup. And thank you, BWH, for becoming a member. Welcome to the Crustacean Nation. Okay. Yes, Imagine Dragons, you got soup. I think yesterday. Congratulations. I remember seeing your name get it. You finally got soup, Imagine Dragons. North Star, thank you for the jewels. Woo! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to call it. Thank you so much. This big, beautiful bounty is insane. There might be thousands and thousands of equity in there. I'm going to be live on Ron's Basement here in a little, an hour and 19 minutes here. Thank you all so much for the support. There's nobody I'd rather be hanging out with on a Wednesday than you, the Crustacean Nation. I'll see you guys on Ron's Basement. I'll see you guys tonight at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe, and I guess I'll say, CYO, Tino. Catch ya on the next one.
Fly me to